Hello, everyone. It's your boy, Hey John, up in this joint. Happy Doge Day. Happy Doge Day to everyone. How are you all doing? It's your boy, Hey John, where I jabber about opportunities nonstop. Your boy, Hey John, is back up in the house. Let him know. Let me know how you are all doing. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you all doing? Let's go, baby. Let's go. All day, every day. Let's go. Let's go. What's good, my peoples? What is good? Let's go. Let's go. What's up? Hey, Garrett. Hey, Charles, Angela, M. Scott. What's up? What's up? Spread the love. Love you guys. How are you all doing? I miss you guys too. JP, what's up? Amy Hilton, what's up? Bruh, what's going on? At Connor, what's up, brother? We will see right now, folks. All right, we will get started real quick. Don't worry. What's up, Spencer? What's up, Spencer? Lag, Rick, Crystal, 313. What's up, guys? What's up, Cardiac, Jorod, Barry, John, Miner, Dishon, The Toy Shop, JNYC, it's Cryptic, Lucas, Garrett. What's cracking lacking, folks? Garrett, what's up? What's up? Hector the Dude, what's going on, folks? J Mid, Unlock, Princess, Kevin Snyder, Robert, Ghost, One Chris, Kevin, Mr. Annie, what's up, guys? M, Connor, Matt, Sean, Sway Cruz, Vector, Hector, Cafe, Lucas, Johnny, Albra, Orlando, Trespass, Jacob, what's up, good? What's up, my brother? Unlock, Mark Matters, Captain Obvious, Car Pro, Mr. Double O Deuce, Lucas Fowler, what's good? What's good? Waterlord, let's go, Doge. Don't miss out on the hype coin train. Check on the Safe Star. Made a 10x for me and gonna use that to pump Doge. Let's go. Yes, baby, all day, every day. Gabe Barnes, Mr. Deuce, Ronnie Grininger, James, Aaron, Doge Guy, Elmer Francisco, Miss Sweets, Gil Ramirez, Princess Agnes, Da Bushes, RP, Black Blair Black Moon, Assad Svanoy, Marino, all right. Tejas Rising, Robert M. Sense, Brian Russell. Yes, sir. What's good, everyone? What's good, everyone? Joe A. Where have I been all day? My God, man. Your boy needs rest. That's what it is, folks. Your boy needs rest, okay? Believe it or not, your boy needs rest. Let's go, let's go. All right, all right. How is everyone doing today, folks? How are you all doing today, folks? Let me know in the chat. How are you doing, folks? Christina Owen, hey you. Bang Goming, what's up? What's up? Car Pro, what's up? Miss Sweats. Sherry Johnson, let's represent. Yes, ma'am. Ved Prakash, Spirit Bear, Garrett Gordon, Sina Lee, Sean Condon, Dylan Classens, Pickle Rick, Marino. All right, what's up? What's up? We will find out what is happening to our beloved Doge real soon, folks. Don't worry. You will find out really, really soon, folks. Do not be concerned. Your boy, Hey John, will take care of you, okay? Your boy, Hey John, will take care of you. I just want to make sure I say what's up to everyone. What's up, M Sense? Sean Mitchell, Kevin Yang, Francesco Garcia, Michael Kennedy, MCD57, on to Oscar Luke, ZY Alcano, Manesh, Caleb Webb, Daniel Segura, Nashud, Cloud Bacchus. Wow, that's a hard name to say. I am not good at names. Who? Rod B. What's up? What's up? Okay, Rod B representing the San Bernardino, the beautiful 909 area code up in this joint. Maritza, the gal. What's good? What's good, my ladies? What's good? Timothy. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Foghorn, Leghorn. JP up in the joint. All right. Scatner, Rogue Alex. Okay. We got Lando P up in this joint, folks. We got Lando P up in this mug, folks. Yes, sir. Your boy is back, folks. Your boy is back, all right? Your boy needs a break, believe it or not. Your boy needs a break. Shane 4X. Okay, we got California up in this mug. All right. Dr. Dre, Rubrins, Flankin, Sarker. Sucker. Let's see here. Plaque Gemelli. All right. Unlocked Adventures. Okay, folks, let's get to it, folks. All right. Nope. I miss every single one of you. I hope you are having a happy Doge Day, and let's get to the charts. Okay, folks. Let's get to the charts. Let's do the A through Z, folks. The A through Z. Let's go all day, every day. We are starting right now through the A through Z, so pay attention. Okay. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's see what is popping, folks. Let's go. Yes. I want to say a quick shout to everyone in the chat right now. happy Doge Day. And how are you doing? Okay, we are going to start them live charts, folks. Okay, we are on the daily right now. Okay, folks. The range is 27 cents up to the high of 42.36. We are currently at 3332, folks. Currently at 3332, folks. All right. The daily histogram was 0.0347. Now it's 0.0309. So again, earlier today, if you were in my previous live stream, I was telling you guys and gals, of course, that that histogram on a daily was neutral at first, and then 2 hours later in the live stream, when I went over again, I was telling, hey everyone, the daily histogram is now starting to be slightly bearish. Okay, keyword being slightly. So again, now we are seeing a further decline on the daily histogram. And I was trying to explain to everyone this morning as well, you know what? These charts evolve minute by minute. Just because I say it an hour ago, 2 hours later it could change. And we saw it live if you were in my earlier live stream, okay, folks? So it is no mystery, okay? Your boy, Hey John, reports the good, the bad, the ugly. You can choose to close your eyes, or you can be woke and be aware of what's going on, okay? And remember, bears are our friend, okay? Bears are our friend because they give us dip buying opportunities. You can see bears as a negative thing, or you can see your bears as your friend and say, you know, guys, this is fantastic. We are getting a dip buying opportunity. And folks, I did mention this morning as well that today is 420, and your boy Hey John used to be a day trader, and he was telling you today you would see insane volatility. And if you were afraid of it, then you should take your gains and wait for the next trade. Okay, your boy Hey John did say that, you know. All right, so I always tell you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly. It is up to you to whether or not you listen. All right, let's go now. Back to them charts, folks. Okay, we are seeing the volume currently at 1.41 B for billion, folks. 1.41 B for billion. What drawing? What drawing are you talking about, buddy? What drawing? Not sure, man. Not sure. The drawing here, you're probably seeing it from like different time frames, you know, so they kind of go everywhere. But yeah. All right, folks. Let's get back to it. All right, so today it's gonna be highly volatile, as I mentioned yesterday and earlier today as well, and I said probably like a million times. And some folks do not like it when your boy repeats stuff. Okay, so it's all good though. It's all good. All right, so 1.41 B for a billion, folks. We are seeing an extreme amount of volume, folks. And guess what? The day's range, okay? Today's range of trading is about, let's see here, 1512, folks, okay? The day's trading range is 1512, okay? 1512 is 15.12 cents, folks. That is huge, all right? Because why? Dogecoin is not a really big, high dollar amount. It's not like you're seeing 20 bucks here. Oh, 15 cents or 20 bucks, no big deal. Remember, Dogecoin came from like 0.002 to like 5 cents, folks. So a 15 cent if you're seeing a 15-day if you're seeing a 15 cent range in terms of trading, ladies and gentlemen, that is a significant trading range, also known as extreme volatility, okay? And this is what I mean by extreme volatility. You are now seeing it, okay? And I did mention earlier today as well that we were seeing some extreme volatility and lots of unusual volume, all right? And your boy mentioned yesterday that when you see unusual volume, guess what? The day traders are out. And, you know, that's kind of what I was trying to explain to everyone here yesterday, assuming you were here yesterday and today. But hopefully, you know, you hear me out sometimes and, you know, just try to do your best and take some notes. And, of course, most importantly, protect yourself, all right, folks? Protect yourself. There is no need to fear, okay, folks? You never need to fear because your boy said it may turn bearish because the bears were starting to have an inkling of control. And he explained to you the bearish scenario and the bullish scenario, all right? But again, usually a cup and handle is usually very bullish. But in this case here, you know what? Things happen and things don't always happen the way you want. That's why I always say to everyone, you plan for the worst and you hope for the best. That's why your boy always says, do not day trade unless you're a pro, and make sure you nibble and don't bite. Nibble means you buy small. Bite means you buy big and go all in. You never go all in, folks, all right? When you go all in, you put yourself in a financial predicament, okay? Pros do not ever go all in because they are not crazy. Unless they're a crazy hedge fund and they want to go broke, all right, folks? And if you don't want to go broke, you should follow and listen to this advice because it will do you a favor in the long run. Believe me, I've been there and done that. I put myself in many terrible financial predicaments in my early days. And I'm telling you, you do not need to do that. Okay, folks. Now back into the charts now. We are seeing the 50 and 200 on the daily still looking bullish. The reason why the 50 and 200 is looking bullish on the daily chart is because guess what? 50 days, 50 MA on a daily chart means you need 50 candlesticks, folks. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks at the moment, all right? So this means we need to see at least 45, we need to see at least 45 more days from today to see where things are popping out, locking out, and dropping out, folks, all right? So for now, we are going to see a bullish trend almost no matter what because we came from an abyss of around like 5 cents, folks. So it's natural that we are going to see the bullish trend stay bullish, okay, folks? Even if we consolidate around here, folks, all right? Even if we consolidate here in this gray rectangular range from say like 12.5 to 20 cents, I guarantee you, we are still very bullish in the long run, okay, folks? Long term, we are still very bullish, okay? Do not get it twisted, folks, all right? If you think we're not bullish, then I would say to you, you need to open your eyes and look at the chart, okay? Literally a week ago, we were at around like 7 cents or barely 7 cents, and we were praying to the Doge gods. To the Doge gods, please let us break the previous all-time highs of 8 cents, folks, all right? And guess what, folks? It broke out and we saw all-time high, one after another. It's been phenomenal, folks, okay? I'm just giving you guys a reality check, okay? Because some folks, are thinking, hey, we've increased 100% day after day, 100% day after day. And honestly, it's unheard of, okay? The fact that we kept on doing it is honestly just phenomenal, okay? There is no other word for it. But again, your boy always tells you, in the cryptocurrency world, guess what? It is the wild west. Extremely high risk and high reward, all right? I tell you guys also, why bother with SafeMoon and all those kind of crazy things, all altcoins? Because you have the Dogecoin. Dogecoin is already extremely volatile, all right? Why do you want to trade things that already have a bad rep? Because there are tons of fake coins out there, okay, folks? You're seeing new coins minted day after day. And I want to let everyone know in the live stream, believe me, folks, the bears are going to come out because these people are going to try to kick you while you are down, folks. 100% guaranteed, folks, okay? You are going to see haters come out in droves today and the near-term future and say, I told you so, you should have sold, and yada. The haters are going to come out and be selfish and try to feed off your misery. So do not feed them, okay, folks? Do not give them the satisfaction. All right? So, let's go. So, the daily chart is looking bullish long-term, folks, okay? Again, looking bullish long-term because if we can consolidate in this rectangular range here, honestly, for the bulls, you are still doing just A-okay in my opinion, folks, all right? And again, I always tell everyone, if you are the prophets and you're fearful, there is no shame in taking profits and watching for the next play, okay, folks? There is no problema with that. And you must understand that we are currently in all-time highs, folks. Believe it or not, folks, we are currently still in all-time highs. We have not seen enough daily candlesticks to make any real determination of what is going on, okay? We have not made any real determination of what is going on because, believe it or not, we are still in all-time highs, okay? We are still in the price discovery stage. To put it into perspective, what that means is basically the bulls and bears need to figure out what the next higher low or lower low is. So far, nobody in their God-given minds can tell you, okay? Even your boy Hey John doesn't know, okay? And he's being very, very honest with you. Because your boy Hey John always gives you the truth, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And currently, nobody knows what in the world is going on because we are in the price discovery phase. Okay, folks? That's simple. All right? If someone is telling you we are going to $1 or $10 or whatever, or say we are going back to 5 cents or 1 cent, guess what? They do not know. They are just either pumping it up or they are just selling you down because they want to get your cheap coins, okay? And don't forget, folks, the haters are one of the most selfish people in the world. And guess what? They want your cheap coins, folks, okay? Long-term investor in Dogecoin, you will be significantly rewarded, okay, folks? Right now, this is literally just noise. So just sit back and relax, set up a budget, okay, and only invest what you can lose. And you will not put yourself in a predicament where you'll be financially challenged, okay, folks? Never ever put your rent money and never ever put your food money, okay, folks? You want to make sure you take care of yourself financially, your basics, and you only put your fun money into things like this because again, very, very volatile. So again, let's go over to the 4-hour chart, okay, folks? Let's go over to the 4-hour chart. Let's go over to the 4-hour chart. But I must say though, folks, if you want to see a bullish perspective, okay, if anything, this is bullish, folks, okay? The fact that we are seeing a wick on the daily sacred here is pretty much bullish because this tells me that yes, you're seeing a wick here, which tells me from let's see here, what did I say here? From 0.272 up to around 0.3247, that dip buying opportunity, the bulls came in and snatched it up, okay? I assure you, some of these haters in this live stream bought up at that dip, folks, okay? That is what they did, and they were trying to fearmonger you, and guess what? They probably took some of your coins, possibly, okay? So again, let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to the chart and see the 4-hour time frame and see what is going on. Again, the daily trend is slightly bearish, even though we are in the bullish MACD territory. This means that the bears are in temporary control, okay? Temporary control. So that means in the next few days here, you may see further price action to the downside, okay? But again, please understand, the charts evolve every moment, every second, every minute, every day, okay? So I say right now, may not hold in 2 or 3 hours from now, as you saw this morning when we saw the daily being neutral and then becoming slightly bearish, okay? So now let's move in to that 4-hour chart and let's see what is going, folks, all right? Let's see what is going. What is going on in the 4-hour chart. Okay. On the 4-hour chart, okay? On the 4-hour chart, we are seeing the histogram increase in velocity towards the downside, even though we are bullish in the bullish territory right now, okay, folks? Even though we are in the bullish territory in the 4-hour MACD, right? The histogram is decreasing significantly on the histogram, which is telling me the bears are in temporary control. They are in temporary control, folks. So again, we see the 26 and the 12 MACD moving averages both in a downtrend, folks, okay? We have seen the cross up here. Now it's coming down, Okay, folks. When you see a cross where the 12 goes below to 26, that means guess what? The bears are in temporary control, and we are seeing a nice pullback. All right. So we need to be patient. We need to be patient to see how it plays out. I'm gonna give you the two possible scenarios, to see what is going on. So let me go ahead and, you know what? Let me go ahead and delete these things so you can see a longer term perspective, so you can get a better understanding of what is going on. All right. Oops. All right. There you go. Fantastic. Okay. So again, this is a 4-hour time frame. This is what you want to see if you are a bull. Well, yeah, 26 can't add money on Uphold. Yeah, man. At Well, yeah, 26. I suspect many of the brokerages. I don't care if it's a Binance, Kraken, Robinhood, whatever, Uphold, Swipe, whatever you're using. I'm pretty sure they are getting hammered right now because you're seeing lots of volume popping it in and out. So, yeah. So you know what I mean. So don't be surprised, folks. Don't be surprised if you're seeing outages in your trading platform, because today is an insane volume day. So you're gonna see some possible outages or possible queries being held up, because guess what? These servers are gonna be hammered. It is what it is. So please exercise some patience. All right, folks. So let me go ahead and show you the bullish perspective. Okay, folks. This is what you want to see. All right, folks. You want to see this if you are a bull. Okay. If you see the yellow line happen, this means you're going to see a higher low, and then from there on a higher high in the future. Okay, folks. Now, if you see this happen here, okay, if you see this happen, let me try to make it bigger here. 1 second here. Oops. 1 second. There you go. Now, if you see this happen here, okay, where we kind of do something like this for the most part, all right, and let's make it green or something, okay. If you see the yellow play out, that means the bulls are in control. Then we are going to see a higher low, which is going to be a support. When I say higher low, I do not mean from today. A higher low meaning from the previous 5 cents. So what this means that if we follow the yellow pattern here, we're going to see a significant higher low from a previous price of, like, say, 5 cents. Okay. So what this means is that Doge is finding a temporary support and a temporary new possible trading range. If that happens, okay, folks. Now, if you see the green scenario play out, we can possibly go back all the way to where we came from. But again, very hard to say, folks. Very hard to say. And don't forget the saying, folks. Do not forget the saying, all right? The saying is, buying begets buying and selling begets selling. So if we see tons of selling pressure, everyone is going to liquidate, and it's going to be a self-fulfilling prophecy, and we are going to go back to the abyss. And by no means is your boy Hey John trying to fearmonger. I am just trying to explain to you the scenarios that can happen. Okay, so please be aware of it, please. All right, folks. So again, please be aware of these two possible scenarios. Okay, do not be fearful. Antonio Pedro Silva took a look on a graph of the spike from 2 months ago. Do you want to be rich in one day? This is Doge. The graph must be builded in a solid way. My boy Antonio Pedro Silva is dropping that knowledge, folks. My boy Antonio Pedro Silva is dropping that knowledge. Please listen to him, okay? Because he is saying basically what I'm trying to say to you right now, okay? We need to see consolidation, folks. And it's not, and consolidation around here is honestly not bearish, because you must understand that we are about like 500% or 600%, 5 to 600% from the previous 5 cent range, folks. So still, we are extremely bullish, irregardless, okay, folks? So again, just take a step back, take a deep breath, and look into the charts and take it with no emotions, and you will see hey, you know what? This isn't so bad. I am going to see a very, very good dip buying opportunity in the future. And please bear in mind, this is the 4-hour chart. So guess what? It takes 4 hours for one stick. That means it'll take some time, folks. It'll take some time to develop. Okay, now, again, you're seeing a nice divergence on the 4-hour chart where the 50 is over the 200. So that means that you are going to see continued price pressure to the upside, okay? The current 50 MA is 24.97. The current 200-day moving average is 10.60, okay? Overall, it is still very bullish, even though we are pulling back. I understand that if you bought at the all-time highs, you are currently in a bag holder state, and you're not seeing very, very nice things for yourself. And I get it. But please take into mind that this is a 4-hour chart, and we are still in the price discovery range. All right? If you wait and be patient, we will see a bottom, okay, folks? We will see a bottom for sure. Do not be concerned about that. The only question is when, and nobody knows when currently. All right, folks, so I'm going to go over into the 1-hour chart now and see what is going on, okay? Let's go over to the 1-hour chart and see what is going on. Okay. So again, let's see now. The 1-hour chart is currently, okay, folks. I will say this to you right now. On the 1-hour chart, which is a shorter time frame, it is starting to look bullish. Believe it or not, the 1-hour chart is starting to look bullish. Okay, so do not be fearful. This could be a temporary support coming soon. Okay, and I'll explain to you right now. We can see on the 1-hour time frame, the histogram is increasing, okay? Even though we are in the bearish perspective in the MACD, means the bears are in full control currently. But we are seeing inklings of the bulls waking up and coming back with some nice histogram price action, okay? And this will be evident in the candlesticks above. So let me go ahead and show you guys real quick so you can see, all right? Let's go, Dogecoin. Let's go. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, if you appreciate your boy's content and how I'm doing this stuff for you guys, all right? You need to smash that subscribe button so when I drop these live hits, you will be the first to get notified. Because if not, you're coming halfway and you are going to miss half of the analysis. And you're going to be, hey, what is going on? So that's why you want to make sure you smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop these live hits, folks. All right. So on the 1-hour chart, we are seeing some bullish price action because we are seeing the histogram increase, even though it is a negative histogram time frame. All right. We are seeing some nice bullish volume. Okay. If your boy Hey John is a betting man, this is right here. This let me draw more precise so you can see. Okay. This right here is what I would call a volume confirmation to the upside, okay? Let me change the color. Make it like, let's make it red. No, not red. No, red suit. You know what? How about orange? Yes, this orange circle here is volume confirmation. Why do I say that? It's because you're seeing a huge amount of volume being traded in a short amount of time, okay? And guess what? We are seeing a nice dip here, okay? This wick right here, this orange circle here, is confirming that, hey, you know what? We are seeing some nice bullish price action. All right, that means the bulls are buying the dip. However, a bearish perspective for the bulls is we are seeing two wicks on the hour chart, okay? The wicks range from 0.33, let's see here, 0.3329 up to a range of 0.3494. This means the range from 3343 up to 3489 is looking like a weak bull zone. This tells me the bulls are selling around here. Therefore, in my opinion, this range here in the gray rectangle here is going to be the consolidation zone. Okay, based on these wicks right here, it's telling me, you know what? When you go above was it one more time? When you go above let's see here. When you go above 3343 and above, that's when the bulls start selling. And when you go below 2940, the bulls start buying. So that is what the wicks are telling me. That's why when I show you guys this a gray rectangular box, this tells me, hey, you know what? This could be our potential consolidation zone. So be prepared to be bored, okay? Modern Prometheus. Can you take a step back and look at the 1 week chart? It's very bullish and has higher lows. Rome wasn't built in a day. Okay, modern Prometheus, I will do the 1 week chart after I finish the A through Z to give it perspective. Is that okay with you? Okay? Robert Molnar, if you sell, you will regret. If you are broke because of Doge, then you shouldn't be here anyways. You only invest money you don't need to pay bills, etc. My boy Robert is dropping that knowledge, okay? Do not put yourself in a financial precarious situation, folks, okay? This is what differentiates the pros, the amateurs, and the newbies, okay? So you determine where you want to be, okay, folks? You determine where you want to be. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. Diamond hands is what you want, folks. Diamond hands is what you need if you're investing in cryptocurrency because, again, it is a wild, wild west. Let's go. Okay. So currently on the 1 hour time frame, the 50-day moving average is starting to flatline, which tells me the bulls and bears temporarily are in decision, okay? Previously, a few hours ago, the bulls were in control. Now the 50 MA is flatlining. This tells me the bulls and bears are fighting for control right now, and more than likely, the bulls may lose control temporarily. Because guess what? We have bullish cycles and we have bearish cycles. So right now on a 1 hour chart, based on a 50 MA, this is looking like a possible bearish start to a downtrend. And guess what? Since it's a 1 hour chart, this means this can last for days, folks. So be prepared mentally, okay? Be prepared mentally. 1 hour time frame is going to take a lot longer to cycle through. So again, we need to be patient and watch the charts and see how they play out. Because charts are all data driven, okay? It is not hocus pocus. You are seeing the buys and sells, and that is what determines how things are moving around, okay? The current 200-day moving average on the 1 hour chart is I would say still very bullish because we are still in uptrend, okay? Current 50 MA is priced at 3705. The 200 MA is currently at 2443. Both are looking like very good prices here. I would say on the 1 hour chart, the 200-day moving average is going to be your very, very strong support. If we do break down to heck, I believe we will bounce off of that 200 MA. So now let me go over that 50-minute chart and see what is going on, all right? 15-minute chart here. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Okay. On the 15-minute chart, okay? All right. Remember, folks, on each time frame, the perspectives can change because different time frames have different amount of candlesticks. And when you aggregate the data on different time frames, you are going to get different results. And that's kind of why You need to go through everything and make your decision based off of this knowledge. Okay. So again, 15 MA is looking bullish on the short term, but we are still in the bearish MACD territory. So this means the bulls are fighting to try to take the reins back from the bulls. I mean the bears. All right. So this means that we need to crack this price, folks. Okay. Let me go ahead and let's see here. All right, folks. Let me draw this new line here to show you something here. All right. Here we go. Here you go. All right. On the 15-minute time frame, do you see this nice pink line here? Okay. The bulls need to come up and break past 3631. Okay. If the bulls can break past 3631, I'm gonna say there is some hope for a new bull trend. If we cannot, then we will most likely keep trending lower and see a new lower low and a new higher low. Chris Azzy, thank you for all your hard work and for being kind. When I take Doge profits, I'll be back to tip more. Hey Chris, do not worry about me, man. I am good. You know, I'm here for all of you. I'm not here for anything but to give back some knowledge back to the community, and I appreciate you for appreciating me. Thank you so much, Chris. Hugs and kisses. Nicole perspective. Time in the market beats time in the market beats timing the market. Yes. Boxing glove. Yes, Nicole. I would agree, folks. If you're trying to time the best possible lowest buy and the highest sales here, I would say you are in a delirious state, because most people never ever get the highest highs and the lowest lows when they try to buy the dip. It is very rare that you get it. If you get it, you are most likely lucky. Even your boy Hey John does not get the highest highs and the lowest lows. It is, when you hit those, it is usually, I would say, mostly luck. Mark C, you saved my profits this morning. Thank you. No, Mark C, you're very welcome, Mark C. I do this for all of you, and I'm very happy to hear some of you are either making money or protecting yourself. That is fantastic. All right, folks, fantastic. I love that. Thank you for letting me know, folks. I really do appreciate that. Honestly, it means a lot to me intrinsically. It really does. It tells me that I am doing the Dogecoin community a favor and giving back to the community. Thank you for sharing and letting me know. I really do appreciate it. Okay, on the 15-minute chart here, we are seeing the 200 above the 50, which means the bears are in control. Okay, folks, the bears are in control, and we are seeing divergence due to the 250, which tells me we are going to see more negative price action. Okay, folks, that is what it means. All right. The moment the 50 MA starts to curl up a little bit and slows down its downward velocity, then that is going to tell you the bulls are starting to wake up, and you know what? This could be a possible dip buying opportunity. All right, that is what it means. So I want to put that into perspective so you can see what I'm seeing. And don't forget, folks, on the 1 hour chart, before when I was showing you some stuff on the 1 hour chart, it's looking like a possible reversal on the 1 hour chart. So do not get it twisted. 1 hour chart takes a lot longer to develop. And again, the 15-minute MACD here, you can see it again. The bulls are trying really hard to take control, but you're seeing the histogram decrease here. So this is saying that the bulls are losing control in the bearish in the bearish MACD territory. So if we see this happen, okay, folks, all right. If you see this happen, okay, folks. If you see this happen, this means that you are going to see a lower low and a higher low if you see this orange line happen, okay, folks? If you see this happen, all right? If you see the yellow line unfold, that means that we can possibly break out of the pink, okay, folks? That means you can possibly break out of the pink, and if we can do that, the bullish trend can possibly start, okay? But again, we are currently having some bearish headwinds on a daily and 4 hour, so this is, I would say this is very unlikely as of this moment. But again, you never know. It could happen, but I want to reiterate, it is probably unlikely due to the 4 hour and daily having bearish headwinds. So the bulls are currently running against headwinds, and when you run against headwinds, it is a lot harder to move up. Okay, folks? So this means the trend is the bearish friend right now. The bulls do not have a trend as their friend right now. Mamba for life. SafeMoon is the next Doge. It's skyrocketing and seems to have lots of backing. I don't know, man. When I hear SafeMoon and all those new altcoins popping every single second, to me, you know, I'm just not interested. Your boy Hey John is just not interested. But again, if you want to go for those kind of high risk, super duper high reward kind of things, you are more than welcome to. But your boy Hey John is not interested, and honestly, he does not recommend it. But again, you know, it's America. You can do whatever you want. All right, folks. All right, folks. So we are doing the whole analysis from A through Z, folks. If you have enjoyed this content so far, do your boy a huge favor by smashing that subscribe button so you are notified when he drops these live hits, so you are aware of it and you do not miss out the beginning from A through Z. You do not want to come in here halfway and be like, oh my god, what is going on, folks? What is going on? Because I don't want you to come in here and only hear some stuff. If you only hear some stuff, you will not get the whole picture, and you may think, hey, this is extremely bearish or extremely bullish, and then you will be misled because you were not here when I started in the beginning, okay? So when I say this, it is for you, not for me. All right, so let's go ahead and go back down to the 1 minute chart now and see what is going on. And I want to reiterate, we need to break that pink at 3634 if we want to continue the bullish movement to the MOON moon upside. All right, folks. All right, folks. That's what I want to say to you guys, and hopefully you guys understando. Let's see here. Joseph Crust, please put this 5 into Doge. Okay, I will. Thank you, Josh. Appreciate it. I'm sorry. I mean Joseph. Sorry. Thank you, Joseph Crust. Thank you. Sorry, I just had a brain fart. All right, so folks, let's now move over into the 1 hour chart and see the play by play, and then we will move back into the weekly chart to see what it looks like from a very, very, very far perspective, to see what the lay of the land is, folks. Let's go all day, every day. And by the way, to other folks who are just joining and did not catch me saying stuff, I welcome you to the Hey John channel. You are very welcome here, and happy Doge Day. I hope you are all having a phenomenal Doge Day. Even though we are having a pullback, I still hope you are having a phenomenal Doge Day, and keep your spirits up, folks. All right, the 1 minute chart here, we are seeing the bulls currently in control, but the 50 MA is charging downwards towards the 200 MA. All right, folks. So when that happens, currently the 50 MA is on a downward trajectory, heading towards the 200-day moving average, which is telling me that in the near term, maybe the next 10-20 minutes here, if we can see a cross with a 50 and 200, this means the bears will take control, and in the near term, we will see more we will see more negative price action to the downside. Okay, folks, that is what it means. But again, we had a bullish cycle over here when we had a bullish cross, and it's happened and it's continued for about, let's see here. This bullish cycle has occurred for about 2 hours and some change. Oh, I'm sorry, 1 hour and 59 minutes so far. Okay, the current bullish trend has lasted 1 hour and 59 minutes on the 1 minute chart. And again, on the 1 minute chart, you have bullish cycles and bearish cycles and they seem to cycle faster because, again, this is the 1 minute chart, and the 1 minute chart means one stick per minute, which means it moves at a faster velocity. So I just want to make sure you understand that, and we are seeing possible bearish cycle starting very soon because, again, we are seeing the 50 getting very close to 200. But currently though, the 200 MA is still in the uptrend, which is telling me overall it's looking bullish. But again, we are seeing lots of conflicting action. Okay, when you are seeing lots of conflicting action, this means we are trying to find price discovery, and the bulls and bear are fighting to try to figure out where to go. So I just wanted to make sure you guys, hear all of the perspectives, whether it's a daily, 4 hour, 15 minute, etc. So you know what's going on all time ranges, because any trader will tell you if they're worth their salt, you must look at all of the different perspectives. If you do not, you are kidding yourself. Okay. If you do not, you will not. If you do not, that means you will not see the trend, and you are trading on pure luck, and you do not want to trade on pure luck. You want to have the odds in your favor. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, on the current MACD here, we're seeing the price move up on a MACD here. So this means to me, if the bulls can do this possible scenario where we kind of dip down and go back up like this right here, if the bulls can do this yellow scenario here, this means the bulls will continue the 50 over 200 trend, and we will continue to the upside. And that is very, very bullish if we can complete this cycle in a similar fashion to his yellow line. If that happens, that means we're going to see positive price pressure, and we can possibly resume the 50 over 200 and continue the bull run. Okay, and if this continues for long enough, guess what? This can change the 15-minute and hourly and 4-hourly time frames. So this is truly good right now. This is going to be a make it or break it moment in my opinion, folks. Cryptomaniac. Hey John 12, I'm spending my life savings on Dogecoin today. That's how much I love it, aka you're the greatest of all time. Hey Cryptomaniac, I appreciate the love, brother, 100%. But I'm gonna say to you, brother, please do not, for the love of God, put your life savings into Dogecoin. Okay, I understand we are bullish. I am very bullish as well. But as you know, nothing in life is guaranteed. Okay, and you know, as bullish as I am in long term in Dogecoin, I would not put my life savings into it because, as you know, nothing is certain in life. Only death and taxes. Okay. And your student loans also is guaranteed. Those three things are guaranteed in your life if you live in America, right? Death, taxes, and your student loans. Ask me how I know. So please, Cryptomaniac, for love of God, please do not put your life savings into this. And I hope you are just being facetious. And can we get some likes, folks? Can your boy Hey John see 2,000 likes? Can you all just smash your phones or your mouse right now? I see over 3,000 beautiful Dogecoin family people here. Dogecoin fam, do your boy a huge favor and just tap that like button. So easy to do. It will not, I promise you, it will not hurt you, folks. 100%. Okay, folks. So this is a 1 minute trend here, and this is what we are seeing. So now I will go into weekly now and see what is popping, locking, dropping. All right, the weekly chart here. Let's see what the weekly is. The weekly is hard to see because guess what? It's like so. The weekly chart is very hard to see because you're seeing such crazy price action. We went from an abyss. Now we are like 50 cents or 40 cents. So that's why on the weekly it's hard to see this kind of stuff. But anywho, if you look at it from a weekly perspective, it honestly looks extremely bullish, okay? But again, on a weekly perspective, it looks nothing short of bullish, okay? Now, if you were Um, some folks, some folks may mistaken this for a cup and handle. Okay, some folks may mistaken this weekly chart for a cup and handle, but I assure you, this is not a cup and handle formation. Jimbo Slice. I made 20K of Doge. Sad to say I did sell, but wait. I made 20K of Doge. Sad to say I did sell, but got added to Bitcoin. But love the Doge for making money. At Jimbo Slice, I say to you, buddy, there is no shame in taking profits. Good for you. Your boy Hey John always says there is no shame in taking profits. I believe earlier this morning I was telling all you guys the Bitcoin was actually looking bullish because they were fighting around the 50 MA and they were starting to break out. So if Jimbo Slice, if you were here and you heard that, I am happy to hear that you made some moolah. Okay. There is no shame in capturing your gains, folks, because guess what? If you're trading or day trading or whatever or swing trading, there will always be another trade. I guarantee it. That is the one thing I can guarantee. The only problem is you may not be patient enough to wait for it, and you'll put yourself in a terrible position. That is the only difference, folks. The only difference. All right, let's get back to them charts because we need to see what in the heck is going on, folks. All right. Let's go back into the I'm sorry. So the weekly here, again, I want to emphasize this yellow line here. Some people may mistaken this for a cup and handle, and I assure you this is not a cup and handle, okay, folks? This is a cup, and this is called a blue pill, okay, folks? we're seeing a cup and a blue pill for Dogecoin. Big difference, all right? we are not seeing a a cup and handle here, folks, all right? But again, I will say this right now. 855 right here. I'm sorry. 0.0880 is going to be your strongest support if we do break down all the way back to the abyss. 0.088 is going to be your strongest support. All right, brothers and sisters. But again, I don't believe that'll happen. But as you know, it is the cryptocurrency. It's a wild, wild west, and anything can happen. All right. So let's go back into the 1 minute chart and see what's popping, locking, dropping. All right, folks. Love all you guys. Hope you guys are. I hope you guys and gals are all having a phenomenal day. All the ladies in the Dogecoin chat. Hi, how are you doing? Come on out and say hi to your boy Hey John. Say what's up. All right. I do not bite. I only nibble. I promise you that much. How are all the ladies doing today? I hope you are all having a phenomenal day, even if you are down some, folks, okay? There is no problema with a pullback, all right? Some may say this is a crash, but honestly, I mean, depends on how you see it, though, you know? It really depends on how you see it. There is no right or wrong. Hello, Cree18. How you doing? Robin Love, what's up? What's up? How are you all doing? Elizabeth, what's up? What's up? What's up, John? Newbie to crypto. It's okay, Elizabeth. It's okay to be new. I hope you are taking some notes and learning some stuff. I hope you are getting some knowledge, though. Kayla, how are you, Kayla? Valerie, what's up, Valerie? What's up? What's up? Let's see here. Who else is here? Let's see. Alrighty then. Amber, how are you doing, Amber? Thank you. I appreciate it. You are very welcome. Let's see here. Tanya, how are you? I hope you are having a phenomenal day. Haha, ex-Corgi. Let's hear it for all this Doge ladies. Yes, yes, sir. Let's give our Doge ladies some encouragement, okay? We are all a friendly community. Let's welcome them and share that knowledge so we can all do better in the future because we all want to take our step towards financial freedom. And how we do that is by sharing knowledge amongst ourselves. Katina, how are you doing? Alyssa, what's up? Jada, how are you, Jada? Or Jade, how are you doing, Jade? How are you doing, Jade? Okay, okay. Alrighty then. Let's get back to it, folks. Let's get back to it. Oakley dokily. Okay, okay. Let's see what's going on. Okay, okay. We can see. I do want to emphasize that if we can see the bulls consolidate in this rectangular box here, this means the bulls can start going back up and continue the bull run. So again, it's very important that we consolidate around in this rectangular gray box. Joe A, smash that like button 100%, folks. My boy Joe A has the right mentality. All right. We have over 3,000 beautiful individuals up in this joint. Please smash that like button for one reason and one reason only, so we can share this knowledge with many, many more people. No, no, guys, I am not the best. You are all the best because you are spending your invaluable time with your boy, Hey John. Okay, now let me go into the blockchain and see what is popping on, locking on, dropping. Okay, folks, let's go into the blockchain. This blockchain software here is what I pay for because I want to create more value for you to not waste your time. The pros have all of the data, and if you want to become a professional trader or a very good investor, you need all the data. And your boy Hey John is providing this to you for 4 easy payments of free. All you need to do to redeem this special offer is smash that subscribe button. At Sky, sell Doge and buy SafeMoon. Doge won't go over 40 cents again. SafeMoon will skyrocket tomorrow. I'm already up 32K. Don't get left behind. Okay, Sky, I don't encourage that, but if you want to, by all means. And I'm very happy to hear you are up over 32K. Congratulations, brother. You are doing a phenomenal job. Okay, folks. Let me go ahead and refresh that data and see what is going on, folks. All right. Okie dokie. Artichoke. All right. Okay. Holy moly. Okay. Let's see the in and out money of the around the price. This is actually quite I would say interesting right now. I would say this is quite interesting. So at the price range of 369294 up to the high of 372346. Average price is 371991. All right. The total volume of Dogecoin in this narrow price range is about 9.15 billion Dogecoin, folks, dispersed amongst 62,000 individuals. All right. Phenomenal. These people are buying tons of Dogecoin. And we have 62,000 people who are bag holders holding a combined value of 9.15 billion Dogecoin, okay? We currently have about 129 billion Dogecoin, okay? To put it into perspective, this means in this price range here, they are holding about 0.0697% of the float. Basically, they are holding 7% of the float, folks. All right, 7% of the float is ginormous. Believe it or not, it is huge. All right. Let's see here. Okay. At let's see here. At 366,624 up to a price of 369,294. The average price being 368,011. Let me go and zoom a little bit because I can't see. I am going blind. Okay, there you go. Much better. So and again, the price range of 0.366624 up to the high of 0.369294. Okay, average price is 368,011. These people hold a combined value, well, not value, but they're holding 17 million Dogecoin dispersed among 265 addresses. To put that into perspective, I will do a quick calculation to see what that looks like, okay? If I divide 17 million divided by 269, this means each individual here is holding about 63,197 Doge coins each. That is quite a bit, folks. Quite a bit. Okay? And let's see what the average price is to multiply. Let's see here. 0.368011, 0.360811. Let's multiply that and see what we get, okay? This means right here, in this price range here, each person here spent about 22,802 US dollars. That is what it means, okay, folks? I just want to put it into perspective so you can see what happens. You know what? I will go ahead and do the other one as well, okay? One second, folks. You know what? Give me a quick second and let me just go ahead and use this thing. 1 second, folks. It is way easier if I do it in Excel. Okay. Looking great. All right, folks. Let me go ahead and do the calculation for you in Excel, but I can't show it to you, but I will read it to you because, as you know, Excel is a proprietary program and you know how it is. So anyway. All right. So let's see here. Again, I am doing the red circle right now, okay? The 9.15 billion, all right? Let's see how much they spent per address, okay? Okay, folks. This means over here, the 9.15 billion Dogecoin and dispersed among 62,000 address. On an average here, each person here spent around at least $110,000. If we're just assuming, you know, we divide 9.15 billion divided by the number of addresses, obviously I'm kind of, you know, simplifying it because we don't actually know who is holding what. But just to get an average and to put it into perspective, okay, folks? This means people are buying ginormous, folks. Phenomenal amount of money, okay? Over here, we are seeing about, let's see here. 1 second. Where is it at? 17.8. All right. Actually, my fault here. It's actually $147,601. My bad. All right. So over here, it's $64,289 per person. The next price range of 3,662,243 up to a high of 3,66624. Right. We have 418,000 Dogecoin dispersed amongst around 39 addresses here. We are seeing a price range. Each person here spent about 10,740 US dollars. Okay, folks, that is what it means. Let me just go ahead and knock this off so I don't read it again. All right. Very good. All right, let's see what happens, folks. Let's see here. All right, here. The next one here is 3,55563 minimum price. Max price is 3,66243. Average is 3,60969. Total volume of Dogecoin is 545 million. Dispersed among 925 addresses. This means these people on average have spent at least 589,000 US dollars. Okay, folks, that is a significant amount of money. These bag holders are extremely wealthy. And of course, again, folks, this is actual data from the blockchain. So this is not something you can make up because, as you know, the blockchain data is all, you know, all accessible to you. But of course, if you don't know how to access it, you know, that's another thing. But again, the data is public on a public ledger. Next price range of 344,501, the max of 3,55563 here. Average price is 349,520. Okay. Total volume of Dogecoin here is at about 583 million Dogecoin dispersed amongst 1,300 people here. Okay. The price here Each individual has spent around 441,442 US dollars. These bag holders here are very wealthy. And you best believe that if we are seeing this, these people are going to buy a dip. And I assure you, these same people did not go all in, okay? Next price range of 333,440, max price of 344,501, average price is 0.338397 here. Total volume is about 344 million Dogecoin dispersed amongst 1,800 individuals, okay? This means each person on average has spent at least 186,321 US dollars. These people have that moolah, all right? At the break-even price, 0.322378, max price of 0.333440, average price is 327732. Volume is 1.96 billion Dogecoin, all right, dispersed around 2,200 addresses. The average price is about, let's see here, the average price is $860,000 per address. All right, these people have money, folks. They are buying BIG big. All right, give your boy a quick second. He needs to do something real quick, but I am still here. I just need a quick second, folks. Quick second. I am still here. I am not going anywhere. I just need to take something real quick. And by the way, can we get a quick smash of the like, folks? Can we get a quick smash of like? We have over 3,000 people up in this mug. A quick smash will be fantastic so we can share this video with more people, folks. The more people we have in here, guess what? The more people we can educate, and the more people we can educate, the more Dogecoin investors we can create, therefore increasing over time your investment. So if you care about your investment, you want to make sure you smash that like button. All right, folks. Now I need to take care of something. I'm still here, but I will be right back in a quick second. I just need to do it real quick, so I will be on mute for a quick moment. All right, let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. All right, folks, you are going to see tons of hair, folks. The hairs are coming out all day, every day. Oh, boy. Well, anyway. Okay, so let's see here. There you go. So the price range of, let's see here. Neil Letty, first time on your channel, one of the most educational and in-depth streams I've ever seen. Thank you for what you do. You are absolutely welcome. I do this for free for the community because your boy Hey John believes in Dogecoin, and he wants to give back to the Dogecoin community. This is how I'm doing my part. I assure you, if you want to, get this kind of stuff from other people, I assure you they will charge you an arm and a leg. Guaranteed, folks, guaranteed. You know how I know? Because I've been there and done that. Michael Jackson, hey John, you're killing it. Thank you. No, thank you, Michael Jackson. I appreciate 100%. I appreciate you guys appreciate this kind of content. And if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Let's go. Okay, folks, back to the blockchain data because this is importante to know. All right, all right. So again, the price range of 322,378 and the high of 333,440, the average price of 327732. They hold a combined 1.96 billion Dogecoin dispersed amongst 2,200 individuals. Okay, the average price of each person of how much money they spent is around 860,000 US dollars. Okay, these people are wealthy. All right, by around here, these people have that money. Okay, and you best believe they are going to buy a dip and lower their average. I would say this is this is probably the one thing I can guarantee you. These folks at these price ranges are going to buy a dip and they are going to lower their average for sure. Let's see here. 0.3111317 here to the max price of 0.3222378. Average price of 319480. Combined value of 9.5 billion with a B Dogecoin. All right, dispersed amongst 86,000 individuals. That means each person spent at least 110,000 US dollars. Neo Laddie been there too and ended up losing 80% of their calls. FML, man, that's kind of why I just give you. This is kind of why I give everyone the bullish and bearish perspective so they can understand what is going on. Therefore, making you a better trader and investor. You do not want someone to say, "Hey, buy here or sell, buy here and sell there," because you have no idea what is going on. That is why I believe in giving this free education so you can make your own decisions here. And when you make your own decisions based on education that you have received, guess what? You'll be more confident in your trade. So when it dips to heck, guess what? You are confident because you did your due diligence. You did your own research. And you know what? You had a plan because your boy Hey John says to nibble and not bite. And you listened. So when you see a dip or a big drop, you're saying, hey, you know what? This is not bearish. This is a dip buying opportunity, all right? You can see the cup half full or half empty. And I always say to the bulls, the bears are your friends because they are giving you buying opportunities. Hector Cruz, resistance. Say it twice. George Bados, thank you for your advice. You're very welcome, man. This is why I do this kind of stuff here. And that is why I'm saying to people here to smash that like button so we get more people up in the stream here so they can get educated. And when they get educated, they will be a better investor and a better trader, and therefore increasing your Dogecoin investment, because the more people we get educated in Dogecoin, guess what? They are more likely to invest in Dogecoin because it is getting demystified, all right? That is why your boy covers the fundamentals, aka the news, in other videos, and he covers live streams to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And your boy is providing more value by buying this software that allows you to look into the blockchain, where it is aggregated. So obviously, if you look through a million or thousands of millions of addresses, it is pretty much unfathomable. So hopefully you enjoy this content, and if you do, you can pay 4 easy payments of free. All you need to do to redeem this offer is smash that subscribe button. All right. So I would say we're done here because this is pretty much it, for now. So I will not be too concerned anymore. And I do want to go over the quick historical in and out of the money because this is quite interesting, actually. Quite interesting. All right. This is saying, let's see here. It's so hard to see here. All right. This is saying that we have 2.96 million people all right, with private addresses who are currently in the green. Currently in the green, which means they have bought below the current price. And guess what? They are in the green. People who are bank holding is about 3.09% of the total float, okay? Dispersed amongst 103,000 addresses. The current people who are at a break-even price, which means you are not making money and you are not losing money, you are just in limbo, is dispersed amongst 211,000 people at about 6.48% of the float. All right? You have just seen some blockchain data into it with insights. I will now go back into the chart because that's what you're here to see. Let's get back to it. Let's see if anything has changed because I have not looked for a while. And let's look. Okay, folks. As you can see, we were not consolidating in the range here, what I was saying before. And if we did not consolidate in that range I was saying, then the bears would take control and the bull cycle would end. And, the bull cycle is here. I'm sorry. And the bull cycle has clearly ended. Hector Cruz, free, 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 free. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For 4 easy payments of free, 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 free. So expensive. So expensive. Oh, my God. How are you, ladies and gentlemen, ever going to afford that? Oh, my God. I have no idea. No idea. Just make sure you smash that subscribe if you want to redeem that special offer. So we did not consolidate at that gray rectangle that I showed you earlier. And if that does not happen, I said we will cross below, and we are seeing that right now. The bullish run is over, and now the bears are in control. We are having a bearish cross, which means that 200 is over to 50, which means we are going to see more negative price pressure to the downside in the short term. Short term meaning possibly an hour to 3 hours. Okay, so basically right now it's a waiting game. It's a waiting game to see whether or not the bulls can wake up. So let's go and see, folks. Let's go and see. We need to see, folks. Let's go. Let's go. All day, every day. So how is everyone doing today? How is everyone doing today? Where are you from? Did you have dinner? Did you have lunch yet? Did you have breakfast yet? Because as you know, everyone in this live stream is from everywhere, like China, Singapore, New Zealand, UK, Germany, Austria, everywhere, man. Colombia, Peru, everywhere. It's phenomenal. Okay. Good. Trying to make the money from Texas. We got Inland Empire. We got Montreal. We got Quebec, Canada. We got India. We got Niagara Falls. All right. We got Florida up in this mug. Coffee. We have coffee. We have Malaysia, Los Angeles, England, SC. I think that means South Carolina. Compton up in this mug. Virginia, New Orleans, Vienna. Wow. Okay. I think Vienna is in Germany, right? Ooh, Lake Tahoe, California, Baltimore, New Jersey, Cali Boys, Thailand, Thailand, wow, Michigan, Bangladesh, Cape Cod, Boston, Philly, Vancouver, North Carolina, Virginia, Netherlands. Yes, sir, we got the whole world up in this joint. So smash that like button. Okay, Philippines, yes, sir, Africa, Rhode Island, Indiana, Washington, Nepal, New York, St. Louis, from the moon, Essex, UK, Manchester, UK. Yes, we have our English brothers here. Yes, they are sophisticated. Yes, I want some of that water. And I want to go to and I want to go to the loo. We got Mars, Memphis. Okay, we got Indonesia, Iraq, Dallas, Texas, Sacktown, Norway. Who cares? Who cares is a great place to come from. Madagascar. We got Sylhet. What is Sylhet? I have never heard of Sylhet. Let's see here. Illinois, Gilroy. Isn't Gilroy in Central California? Doge Island. Yes. Doge Island. Yes, sir. Coachella. Philly. Florida. Vatican City. Wow. You guys are from everywhere, man. Everywhere. Wisconsin. I'm not sure what KC is. Trinidad. Wow. Wow. Argentina. Ohio. Mexico. Haiti. Orange County. California. The Pet Cemetery. That's funny. Antarctica. We got Guam, Venezuela, Palm Spring, East Oregon, Spain. Wow, wow. We have folks from everywhere. Mars, Texas. We have the moon too. Wow. How did you get here from the moon, folks? How did you get here from the moon? Chico, California, Oregon. Brazil, Ethiopia. Okay, we got the East LA up in this mug. Wales, Virginia. Wait, Wales? Wales? Isn't Wales in the UK? Northern California, South Carolina. Daytona, Fresno. Wow, Fresno. Planet Vegeta, yes sir. We have some Dragon Ball Z fans up in this mug. I live in my house, Holland, Miami. ATL, Deja Vu. Peru, Kentucky, Massachusetts. The sun. Man, if you are from the sun, I hope you are doing okay and putting on that sunblock. Someone is from Doge City, Wales, UK. Wilmington, California. Isn't that near Long Beach, the LBC? Let's see here. Let's see here. Temple City, California. Wow. Okay. India. Burbank, California. Stockton, Mars. Norwalk. You guys are amazing. Sesame Street. That's so funny. Sesame Street. Iowa. Romania. Wow. Okay. Welcome, Romania. Man, I don't think I have read Romania before here, so that's a new one for me. Honestly, I think that's a new one. Pretty cool, though. Pretty cool, folks. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like that. I like that. I love that we are in. I love that we are so international, folks. It is phenomenal. You know, it's so great to have so many beautiful people here from all over the world. You know, trading Dogecoin, because as you know, Dogecoin is the people's cryptocurrency. Missouri, Long Beach. Dirty Detroit. Whoa. Boyle Heights. Nice. El Paso, Texas. The Bahamas. Doge Moon City. Escondo, California. Holy cow. Vietnam. Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Wow, that is a long one. A long one. Madagascar. Doge Mars. Wakanda, Mexico. What? Isn't Wakanda in Africa? All right, all right. We got Death Star. So we got some Star Trek fans. I like that. So we got South Central, Kansas City. Ooh, East Africa, Ethiopia. Welcome, 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 Ethiopia. Australia, Madison, Wisconsin. Okay, Detroit is flexing, folks. Area 51. Doge Alcatraz. That's funny. That's funny. Singapore, Uruguay. Holy cow, the Apple Store. That's funny. That's funny. We got Pasadena, California. We got Bosnia. Wow, Timbuktu. Really? Dang, you guys are really everywhere, man. This is freaking great. Super great, man. Happy to have you guys from everywhere around the world and around the United States. Welcome one, welcome all. Your boy Hey John hopes you are having a phenomenal and great Doge Day. All right? Keep your spirits up and keep your chins up because we're going to see some good dip buying opportunities. All the California truckers, India, Congo. What? Really? Congo? Wow. Okay, okay. Let's get back to the charts, folks. Let's get back to the charts and let's smash that like button, okay, folks? Let's smash that like button. Let's get 2,500 likes right now, baby. Let's go. 2,500 likes right now. Let's go. Right now. Not before, not later, right now. So let's go back to the chart and see what's going on, folks, all right? Let me go ahead and see the 15-minute chart and see how it's looking around for it. Let's see how the 15-minute is looking, and then we'll kind of jump around from there and see what is going on. Let's go, let's go. All right, let's see here. What do we have here? And of course, folks, if you enjoy this kind of content, smash that subscribe button so you are notified. You are notified when I drop these hits. All right, you don't want to come here halfway and miss it the beginning, because then you are going to be, what's going on, folks? What is going on? Okay, let's see here. Let's see what is going on. Let me get rid of some of this old stuff here. Well, you know what? It's still relevant. Actually, I'll leave it. It's actually still relevant. Never mind. It is still relevant. Let's see here. Let me go ahead and clean up the charts a little bit. All right. Let's clean up these charts because they have been there for days. So I need to clean up real quick and see what is going on. Let's see. All right. Let's clean this stuff up. Okay. Looking good now. Looking good. Let's clean this chart up. There you go. All right. Much better. Let me get rid of stuff right here. Let's see here. Get rid of this. It's been so long. Get rid of this. Down trend line is done already. That's a few days ago. Oops. All right. 1 second, folks. 1 second, folks. 1 second. I am cleaning up the chart so we can see a little more clean here. Give me a quick momento, folks. A quick moment. And we will get back to the charts ASAP. I promise you that much. So be a little patient, all right? Because as you know, it takes time to clean the charts up. I wish I had someone do it for me, but unfortunately, I gotta do it myself. Okay. Let's go. Okay, here. Almost done, folks. Almost done. Just cleaning up them charts. By the way, everyone, thank you for participating and letting me know where you are from. That was really exciting and really fun, okay? I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Oops. Delete that. Delete this. Wow. Man, I sure do draw a lot, man. It's been so many days, so many hours I've been doing this. Pretty crazy. All right. Dokily. Oops. Okay. Here we go. All right. We are almost back in business. Let's go. Dokily. Wait. Oh my God. There's more here. Holy cow. Okay. All right. Say goodbye to these things, man. Say goodbye. There you go. There you go. Okay. All right. Huh? Okay. Okie dokie. All right, folks. For the folks who are just joining, I am just cleaning up the charts from several days ago, and so many live streams. So I'm cleaning up so I can show you guys the new supports and resistance, so it looks a lot better and cleaner. All right. Looking good. Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead and it's right here. Over here. Actually, here you go. That's pretty good. Yep, that's pretty good. That's another good one too. And there you go. Okay. Looking much more tidy now. Much more tidy. Let's see here. Make this let's make it purple. Yes, purple is a good color. Because I do not use much purple, so that's a good color to use. All right. Let's go. All right. So now we are going to go over the support and resistance now, okay? Let me do that so I can show you guys what it is looking like, all right? So you can make your own determination of what to buy and sell and whatever. So remember, when you buy and sell, you're pulling the trigger, not me. So make sure you do your own due diligence and be patient. And of course, if you enjoy this content, smash that subscribe button. Okay, folks. The supports are going to be at 2329. Okay, folks. This is going to be our last man stand. Okay, folks. If we break down into the abyss, 2329 is going to be your strongest support. If that does not hold, we are going back to the abyss, and just close your eyes, and just be patient. That is literally it, you know. So if you're a bull, you do not want to see 2329 get broken. If it does, you will have to be extremely patient because we are going down, very far down, folks. That is what it means, all right? And I just want to show you real quick. Let me give me a quick second, all right? All right. If we do break 2329, okay? If we break 2329, 1872 is going to be your next support. And from 1872 from 1872 up to 2329, that is going to be a long, about 5-cent drop, folks. A 5-cent drop, all right? But I suspect this won't happen, but you know what? I always say to you guys, plan for the worst and hope for the best, all right? So I'm giving you all of the, scenarios, whether it's bullish or bearish or whatever, to make sure you have all the information so you are aware when it happens. When it happens, guess what? You are not surprised, and guess what? You know what to do and how to do it because you will not be caught off guard because you have the knowledge, all right? Want to make sure I emphasize that, okay? I am not trying to fearmonger. I am not trying to take you out of your trade. I am just trying to give you all of the perspectives so you can make the right decision, okay? All right, again, I want to say one more time. The lowest price is going to be 1883. If we break down below 2368, that is going to be about a 5-cent trading range, all right? The next support is going to be 2947 up to 2342. That is about a 6-cent price range, okay, folks? Pretty big price range. The next support and current resistance is going to be 3280, okay, folks? All right, because the reason why I'm drawing these is because we have seen multiple times where either they became a support or a resistance, okay? That is how I figure it out. These things here. The yellow line here at about 3474 was a very strong support in the short term. And we have broken through it and now is looking like a possible resistance in the near term future. That's just stuff. Keep it up. Thank you. Thank you for the encouragement. I am doing my best to keep it up. Thank you for joining me and spending your invaluable time with me, folks. I do appreciate it. All right. The next one is going to be 3637, folks. If the bulls can break that, I suspect we are going to see a nice price action to the upside. Let's see here. The next resistance is going to be 3778. And then, what does it say here? 1 second. There you go. 3952, okay? Those are going to be your next resistance. If the bulls can wake up, right? If the bulls can wake up and break past 3941 and breach 45, what is it? Let me see here. And if the bulls can breach 450 in that pattern here, that means 50 cents is going to be on deck. All right, folks? That is the bullish perspective. If we were to see new all-time highs, we need to break 395 and 450. If we break those two in this order here, I would say 50 cents is going to be on deck, all right? If we break down below 2366, then that means we are going to most likely see 1874 or some price around there. Because if we break, I'm going to emphasize it. You know what? Let me change the color here. Let's make it red, okay? If we break 236, that means we are going back to the next support of 1874, because as you know, 236 is going to be your strongest support of all time, folks. So you do not want to see that happen. If it does, then you know what you are going to see, folks. All right. Abo Nakar, appreciate love, brother. Thank you so much. So I want to make sure you know the support and resistance, okay? Of course, this is based on the current chart you are seeing right now. Things can change, okay, folks? Things can change, as I always tell you. Okay. So now let's go back into the 1 hour chart and see how that is looking, folks. Let's see what the 1 hour chart is looking like. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. Can you guys show your boys? Can you guys and gals show your boys of love by smashing that like button? All right. The 1 hour chart, okay? I mentioned to you guys this morning here on the 1 hour chart, if we we were consolidating here in this rectangle here that I drew for you this morning on the 1 hour chart, you know, or 4 hour chart, whatever I was doing, but same difference, okay? I was telling you guys that if we can consolidate in this grayish rectangle, we will break up to the outside, okay? If we break below this rectangle, then we are going to see downside. And that is exactly what happened. So the cup and handle formation got invalidated, okay? The cup and handle formation got invalidated. Normally, as I said to you guys, cup and handles are usually very bullish and they usually happen. But as you know, today is 420, and guess what? Day traders are here, and I told you guys for the past few days, when day traders come, you are going to see lots of volatility. Fortunes will be made today, and you best believe these day traders have made a killing today. 100%, folks. 100%. All right, so it's unfortunate for us bull investors, but that's okay. If you're an investor, honestly, this is just noise. You should not be concerned with this whatsoever. But if you're a day trader, then guess what? You know, you're more short term, so these things matter to you more. So, Neo Dadley, I vote for someone to donate 50% of Doge earnings to Hey John for his crazy good analysis. And Neo Laddie, I will be doing this all the time for you folks because, as you know, charts change daily, hourly, etc. So I will be doing this for some time. And if you guys truly do enjoy this content, go to your social media accounts and share these videos out. Because your boy Hey John is trying to educate as many people as possible. And the more people we educate, guess what? Your Dogecoin investment is going to go up sooner rather than later. Okay, folks? We need more investors. And your boy Hey John is doing this part by trying to educate and demystify the Dogecoin. Michael Jackson, can you give a SO to Ali? She's a big fan of you. Oh, a shout out. Okay, Ali, what's up? It's your boy Hey John saying, what's up, Ali? How you doing? You know, I'm so thankful you're a big fan of mine. I appreciate 100%. I appreciate the love, Ali. 100%. I hope you are having a wonderful Doge Day, okay? I hope you're having a wonderful Doge Day. Thank you for sharing that, Michael Jackson. I do appreciate that. Desert. That is a cool sticker. Thank you for that rocket, folks. Rocket sticker. Love it. Love it. Let's go to the M-O-O-N. Moon. All right. So back to them charts, folks. All right. So Abo Nakar. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that 100%. I hope you are. I hope you are. I hope you are having a wonderful Doge Day. So again, this morning when I was showing you guys this what do you call it? This handle formation here, I was telling you guys to say, hey, if we break down below this, then we are going to see the we are going to see bearish price action. And guess what? That is exactly what we saw. All right. Now, if we consolidate it in this gray rectangular box, that means over time we are going to break up to the upside. Okay. This means the cup and handle formation got invalidated. All right. So just be careful, folks. Be careful. It is not. This is not your boy Hey John trying to fearmonger you. I'm just trying to make sure you hear all the different perspectives. Jose Sanchez. People are not buying Dogecoin because they are trying to buy SafeMoon and elongate because it's more profit and it's going up fast. Well, you know what? If you guys want to buy SafeMoon, by all means, but your boy Hey John is never going to recommend it because that is extremely, in my opinion, unsafe. But you know what? You do you. It's all good, man. I'm happy for you if you are making profits in SafeMoon. Just be careful and make sure you set some kind of stop loss. And your boy Hey John always says to you, there is no shame in taking gains. All right. So let's go ahead and see now. So again, we invalidated this cup and handle formation, and now we need to see what is happening. Okay. But based on the 1 hour chart, all right, let's see here. Based on the 1 hour chart, this current pink circle I'm driving, this current pink circle here that I'm drawing here, could be a potential support. Based on the way things are looking, this this pink oval circle thing I drew could be a potential support zone, and this could be our next higher low. But we need to be patient and wait a few hours here. Well, by a few hours, it can be 10 to 15 hours. So maybe the next day or so to see how this plays out. So if you're a day trader or swing trader, you can make easy scalps right now. So, but again, if you are an investor like your boy Hey John, it doesn't really matter because you are just this to you. Honestly, to me, this is all just noise. Abel Neckar, hey my brother, really enjoy the content and really appreciate you educating people the right way. Everyone needs to really appreciate this content. It can possibly change your life. Always here for you, John. Thank you, Abel. I do appreciate that, and honestly, I really appreciate you guys appreciating this content because I really do it for you. Your boy Hey John does not want to talk to a wall. It is extremely boring. So I'm happy that you guys are really enjoying it and you are actually getting value for it. That is why I bought that blockchain software, so I can provide more value to you, so you can see what the pros see. And guess what? When you can see what the pros see, then you are going to be on a level playing field. All right. And I believe in democratizing the data and sharing it for free. I know folks charge you for this, and man, Dogecoin means do only good every day. And this is how your boy Hey John is doing only good every day, by sharing his knowledge, all right, with all of you. I really do hope you are gaining value from this, and I really hope this will be your next step towards your personal financial freedom. It is all about you reaching your next goal and towards that financial freedom, folks. So let's go ahead and see that 1 minute chart and see what's going on by the play-by-play. All right. Again, I mentioned to you on a short term on the 1 minute chart here, we are seeing a 200 over to 50, and guess what? That means and you're seeing divergence there, so that means we're going to see more negative price pressure to the downside, and we are seeing exactly that. The MACD is confirming the move by seeing the MACD starting to go back into the bearish territory, being evidenced by the histogram going down and down and down, folks. All right. So again, this is not me fear mongering. Again, this is your boy Hey John. I am not fear mongering. I'm trying to give you all of the perspectives so you know how to plan accordingly. And when you see this happen, you will not be blindsided. And if you see a big sharp downturn, you say, hey, you know what? I know what the next support is. So you know what? This is a dip buying opportunity. Okay. So you go into the trade with confidence, and most importantly, you are going into the trade with no emotions. All right. This is why I give you everything so you can see it. At Sir Doge, you are amazing. No, you are amazing, Sir Doge, because you can acknowledge this valuable information, and if you are acknowledging it, this means you are amazing because you know that this knowledge is going to change your life in some way for the better. Okay, for the better. And if you guys and gals enjoy this content, make sure you smash that subscribe button. All right, folks. My goal here is to create the biggest Dogecoin community so we can all share information to each other for 4 easy payments of free. Okay, because you guys know a lot more than me, and as a group, as a conglomerate, we can dig out more information and we can share it amongst each other and we can educate each other so we can do what is best for the trade and your investment. So currently we are going to the bear side, and guess what? If this continues, we're going to see a lower low and a higher low soon. And honestly, that is okay because this is the 1 minute chart, and the 200 over 50 means negative price pressure. Price pressure. You already know it's coming, so it's not a big deal. It is not a big deal. Let's go to the 15-minute chart and see what is happening. Let's go to the 15-minute chart and see what is happening. Okay. Okay. Let's see what is going on that 15-minute chart. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, let's see what I see now. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see what is unfolding, folks. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, based on the 15-minute chart, we are seeing negative pressure towards the histogram going to the downside, okay? The bulls are trying really hard to follow the yellow scenario, but it seems like the bears are catching back up and we are going to possibly test the orange scenario. So again, if we see the orange scenario play out, then most likely we're going to see a lower low and a higher low in the near term future. And of course, this is the 15-minute chart. So that means be patient, folks. That means 15 minutes per chart. I'm sorry, 15 minutes per candle. And this can take a few hours to play out. So there is nothing to do but just be a little patient, folks. That's all it means. That's all it means. And of course, and we can follow, and honestly, we still have time for the bulls to take control and go to the upside, because right now I'm gonna zoom in for you. Okay, right here I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. All right, you can see you can see tons of zigzagging. Okay, when you see tons of zigzagging, that means on a short term, the bears and bulls are fighting furiously to take control. So currently it's looking very volatile. Therefore, you cannot see a clear trend. So that's kind of why you need to be patient and see how it plays out. But again, you already know what the supports and resistance are. So you are cool. You are good to go, folks. You are good to go. Let me go ahead and get rid of this thing here. So, all right. Let me pop back out and see what's going on. Okay. Let's hope the bulls can make this into another platform, folks. Okay. Let's hope the bulls can make this yellow circle into a nice platform, okay? Let's watch and wait and see and exercise some patience, all right? Exercise some patience. And of course, most importantly of all, let the trade come to you. Let the trade come to you. Do not chase the trade, folks, all right? You do not need to chase it. You do not need to chase a trade because there are plenty of trades. The trades will never end, I guarantee you. There will always be the next trade. The only question is, will you be patient enough? And by the way, to all the new people here who are new investors in Dogecoin, if you want a good brokerage that your boy Hey John personally uses, I use Robinhood, and you're gonna see lots of hate on Robinhood, but your boy Hey John personally uses it, and I personally like it, so I will personally recommend it. All right, you can use you can use my link down below in the description, and if you create an account with that link, you will get a free stock on Robinhood. So when you get a free stock, you can sell that stock and buy some Dogecoin. All right. So this is gonna be so it's a pretty good opportunity for you if you don't currently have a brokerage and you're a new investor and you want to get into Dogecoin. I would recommend Robinhood, and you can make an account with my link down below in the description. Again, you will see tons of haters on Robinhood, and that's okay. Your boy Hey John personally uses it, and I really like it. All right, I've been around. I use E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, IBKR. What else is there? Fidelity, TD. Maybe I said it twice. I don't even know. But I've used all of them, and my favorite by far is Robinhood. Okay, if you're investing, Robinhood is more than adequate. It is more than perfect. If you're day trading, you may want to use something else. But again, I don't encourage day trading, so up to you, man. Up to you. Matthew 4. Snoop Dogg just tweeted a commercial riding to the moon on a spaceship with a Shiba Inu, and he shouts out Elon Musk. Okay. You know what? Let's go to the Twitter, and let's see what is Snoop Doge talking about. Let's go. Oops, I typed wrong. Oops, Snoop Dogg, Snoop Doge. Let's see here. Okay. Hey, thanks, Elon Musk, for the spaceship. Happy for. You gotta have something. This is funny. I will put a link in the chat in the description. Hopefully, you can see it, folks. Go ahead and pull it up and check it out, folks. It looks pretty funny. Let's go, man. Let's go. Okay. How is everyone doing right now, folks? How is everyone doing right now? Macedon, yes, commercial just dropped. I put a link in the chat, folks. All right? I am going to pin the message, all right, folks? The message is pinned. You can go to the link and check it out, folks, all right? You can use a pinned message and check out that tweet, folks. Looking pretty cool. Oh, Joseph Crust, not happy. Oh, man. That is not good. Anwar Lucas, sad. Oh, my God. Not good. Why are you guys sad and not happy? Why? What is going on? Unhappy. Doge Army, yes, sir. Doge Army all day, every day. See here. Cause Snoop, a real one. Yeah, man. I do like Snoop Dogg. He's a really cool guy. 100%. Let's see here. Yes, sir. Guys, go ahead and check my link and go to the Snoop Doge video. Looking pretty cool, folks. Looking pretty cool. Let's see here. What do we see here? Crystal Mengao, because they bought in way too high because of the hype. Oscar, the whales played us. Well, I mean, we're seeing tons of people who bought big. So, I mean, as you know, insight into the blockchain before I showed you guys. So, Oscar Hernandez, I made 8K but lost 1K today. Oscar, are you day trading? I sure hope not. But you know what? At the same time, it sounds like it though. At the same time, it sounds like it. Let's see here. Let's see here. At Otis, hey noobs, you only lose money if you sell. Honestly, I couldn't agree more with Otis though. Honestly, because if you're an investor here, this stuff here is just noise, and what you're seeing is amazing dip buying opportunities. So, honestly, to me, this is just fine. But I understand people do not feel the same way because they bought it too high. But you know what? At the same time, it's okay because hopefully, you take away some lessons learned. As long as you learn, it's a good thing, right? As long as you learn, it's a good thing. And again, for the folks who don't feel too for the folks who currently do not feel too elated here, do yourself a favor and ignore the haters, because you best believe the haters are out in full swing because they want to make more money off of your misery and your emotional sadness, because they want you to sell and they want to buy your cheap coins. So do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor and ignore these haters. At Matthew C, shouldn't you sell some of your profits to invest more for the dip? Well, Matthew C, that is called day trading. That is called timing the market. All right, and I always say you can do that, but again, it is up to you. I've been there and done that. I've done it for many years, and honestly, it is too taxing on me personally speaking. So I prefer investing because I like to chill. But if you want to, day trade and make a quick buck, by all means. But I am trying to create that generational wealth. And how do you create generational wealth? By investing. When you day trade, nine out of 10 times you're going to be a loser. And I am not calling you a loser. You could be the 1 out of 10. But for the most part, most day traders usually lose more than they win. It is a fact, but it is an unfortunate fact. But it be what it be, and that's kind of why I tell you guys to invest and not day trade. But again, if you want to, by all means, by all means. At Crystal Mengel, day trading takes years of practice. At Crystal, you are exactly right. This is not a skill you can pick up from someone in 5 minutes. It takes a lot of time to hone that craft, okay? It is a craft, and you need to hone it. If you want to be good, you got to put in that work. Lots of work involved. And most people, honestly, do not have the discipline to do that. And I am not trying to talk bad or say mean things or anything. It just is what it is, and that is an unfortunate fact of life. Jay Classified, we thought you loved us. John, my mom just wants you to. John, my mom just wants you to say hi to her. She loves you. Okay, at Jay Classified's mom, how are you doing today? At Jay's mom, I hope you are having a wonderful Doge day, and I appreciate the love. Your boy Hey John loves you back. Kisses and hugs. I hope you are having a wonderful day. All right, you have a wonderful son, and he is doing right by you by giving you a shout out. Um, Apollo 9100. I've been holding over 100 Doge, 100,000 Doge for less than 1 cent. Who else has been holding? Also have anyone found out anything about Doge as of yet? Um, right on, right on, right on, right on. Good for at Paulo. You know what? You have the strongest diamond hands, brother. Good for you. I am happy to hear that you are in the moolah, brother. That is amazing. Good for you, man. Good for you. And good on you, and good on you for believing in the Dogecoin, all right? Because I always say you need to have confidence in your trade. So it sounds like you, Apollo, have done some of your due diligence. That's why you've been holding for so long. At Solrack PR, no low, no high, just buy, buy, buy. That's funny, but at the same time, it sounds like pumping. Let's go, folks. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. At Gil Ramirez, but you need money to create that generational wealth, so day trading can be that catalyst. No. At Gil Ramirez, that is a yes and no answer. Yes, if you are the 1 out of 10. But again, 9 out of 10 people usually lose. So this could be the catalyst, or it could be the sinking factor to take even longer to create that generational wealth. And of course, if you need more capital, all right, if you need more capital, you may need to invest into a new skill so you can make the moolah to invest into, okay? And of course, it takes patience. It takes patience, believe me. It takes patience. Even if you are day trading, it takes patience, folks. It takes patience. That is the only thing I can say about that. Let's see here. At Dave Fomer, I have 5,000 coins I'm holding. Good for you, Dave. Good for you, man. You are doing yourself a favor here. Bobby Ziokwaski. The way we react to this is how the world will remember Doge Day 420. Do only good every day. Know how bright the sun comes out. Wait, know how bright the sun comes out tomorrow for us all. Yes, sir. Squinting face. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Even though today is bad for you, and you are feeling down on your luck, or it's okay, man. It's okay, because tomorrow is gonna be a nice day, and guess what? The sun is still going to come out. So do not be worried or concerned, okay? Apollo 9100. What are you showing in this chart? I missed out earlier. If you did explain, sorry about that. No worries. You do not need to be sorry. Missed out. Also, everyone gotta stay vigilant. By the dips. Okay. Well, I do plan on at Apollo 9100. I plan on going over the A through Z again in about 5 minutes. Okay, Apollo. So you will get the A through Z in like 5 minutes. So just be a little patient, all right, buddy. Be a little patient, and you will hear everything again, because I have tons of people in the chart. I'm sorry, in the live stream who is just joining. So I'll make sure I try to catch up everyone. Because as you know, people come and go all the time. They come and go for 5 minutes here and there. So I'm gonna do it again and make sure everyone gets the information. And that's kind of why I tell you guys and gals to smash that subscribe button, so you are aware of the knowledge as I drop it. So you don't come in halfway and be like, oh, what's going on? What's going on? At Bobby Ziokoski, LOL. No matter how bright the sun is, no matter how bright the sun is shining tomorrow. Thanks for trying on the name. Sorry, Bobby. I do my best, man. But Ziokoski. No. Ziokoski. Oh man, you know what? I'm gonna stop trying, man. I am just butchering your name for the worst. I apologize. Thoughts on ADB AdBank? It has Task Marketplace where you can make crypto for doing actions. Add Vapor Smooth. I do not encourage anything but the top 6 cryptocurrencies, because everyone and their mom is making a new coin every single day. So yeah, man. Every day a new coin is being minted, every second, So there's so many coming out. Every single coin has so much utility. And the only reason why your boy is so into Dogecoin is because the community behind Dogecoin is phenomenal and is ever growing. That is why I'm so into the Dogecoin. Apollo 9100. Okay, I'll be patient. Thank you. All right, thank you, Apollo, for being a little patient, brother. I do appreciate the patience. It is coming sooner rather than later. So do not be concerned, folks. Do not be concerned. For anyone wondering what is a Snoop Doge video, check out my pin link in the pin message, and you can see what everyone is talking about. All right, folks. On the 1 minute chart, it looks like we are breaking down, but I am not necessarily seeing a sell signal. I'm just seeing some downward price action to the downside, and honestly, I'm not surprised, because based on the MACD and the way it's moving, we are going to see a lower low and a higher low in the meantime. At W, you have become part of my daily life. Do you remember me? You read a lot of my comments. Haha. At W, honestly, my memory is kind of foggy, because as you know, your boy Hey John has been streaming a lot And you know, if you've been there watching me for a while, you know I've been streaming a lot, so my memory is foggy because I have brain fog because, you know, your boy Hey John needs to take a break sometime. At Otis, John putting in long hours to help the the Dogecoin community. Much appreciated. You know, I'm just happy that you guys are appreciating it. You know, I really do because you know, talking for a long time is honestly not that I'm complaining. By the way, not that I'm complaining. I'm just saying that when you talk for a long time, you know, it just gets tiring. You know, and again, by no means is your boy is complaining here. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, you know, sometimes I sound a little tired because I've been talking for a very long time, and you know, I'm human, right? So, so yeah, you know what I mean. I hope you guys are really learning here, and hoping you guys really take some knowledge away because you know that's what I'm here for. No other reason, no other objective. You know, as your boy, you know, this is how I'm doing my only good every day to support the Doge community. And if you guys really do enjoy this kind of stuff here, you want to make sure you subscribe, you like, and you share these videos on your social media for one reason and one reason only. Because if you like a lot, YouTube will share this video a lot, and guess what? We will get more investors, and guess what? Your Dogecoin investment will keep on going up because more people will buy, therefore creating price pressure to the upside. So again, it is for you, and you will be doing yourself a favor, believe it or not. Honestly, believe it or not. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. I am gonna make an announcement right now. I am going to go through the A through Z again. Okay, folks. I am going through the A through Z again, which means I'm going through all of the chart stuff. So, if you're new here or whatever, just pay attention, and you know you can see what is going on. I am starting right now, not later. Right now. Oakley dokley. So we are always looking at the daily chart here. So so on the daily here, as you know, at around 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, you know, a new stick emerges because that is when the stick ends from the previous day. So depending on what time zone you are in, just Google 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and you will know for yourself. All right. Okay. So the MACD histogram is still decreasing, all right? You're seeing a decrease at a pretty strong rate here. So this tells me the bulls are not in control on the daily chart, okay? We are seeing some curling action to the flat lining on the 12 MA on the MACD. So this is telling me the bulls are losing traction, which means they are losing control, okay? Evidenced by this curling action you're seeing here, okay? Once you see the MACD go flatline and then go down, flatline and then curl down, that means the bears are in control in the short term. And if it continues for the next few days, then guess what? It may cross the 26, and if that happens, that means we are going to go to the downside. But the bullish perspective is we are going to the downside in the bullish area. So we could potentially reset in the bullish area, therefore creating a higher low and higher high in the long term. But again, please understand this is the daily chart. That means one stick per day, and one stick per day can take a while. Okay, folks. So you need to exercise patience. This means that this can take like possibly 2 to 3 weeks for this to happen. So that is what I mean by exercising patience, all right? Okay, so so yesterday we saw 1.43 billion Dogecoin traded yesterday, right? And now we have about 81 million. So starting 81 million. So let's see what is going on. The question here is, are we going to see this continued volume, or is it going to dip back down to like, you know, like 62 million like in the past, right? Currently we are currently trading at 1.43 billion Dogecoin per day. But in the past, we were doing like 73, 44 million. So again, we are seeing extreme volume compared to like 2 weeks ago. So you need to put that into perspective. All right. And again, on the 50 and 200, we are seeing it diverge. And that just means that obviously in the long term, it'll create buying pressure to the upside. But as you know, currently the 50 MA and 200 is a 9.5 and 3.5. So it's going to take some time to consolidate, all right? And even if we consolidate around here, in this price range for the most part, you are still going to see the 50 MA and 200 MA climb up, which is still long-term, bullish, okay? If you're a bull, that is what you want to see. Alrighty then. 4-hour chart is, let's see here. Let me zoom in for you guys. The 4-hour chart is still decreasing at a very rapid pace, okay? On the 4-hour chart, even though we are in the bearish, even though on the 4-hour chart, even though we are in the bullish territory, we are definitely pulling back down and very fast here based on the histogram. We are coming down really hard and really fast. So this means the bears are in control temporarily, but of course it depends. If we follow the yellow scenario, this means that we're going to see a higher low in the near term and possibly a higher high in the near term, possibly in a week or two, because as you know, the 4-hour chart is one stick per 4 hours, so it's going to take time to develop. If we follow the green pattern here, this means we are going to be in an indefinite bear cycle for some time, and that means we are going to continue to see negative price pressure to the downside consistently for some time. Gordon Bello, if you were in at 5K USD at 36, would you still hold as investment? Well, at Gordon, you need to ask yourself, what is an investment? Okay? And an investment means you're holding it for long term, for years. Okay? A trade means you are day trading, the same day, the same week, the same month, 6 months from now. Even if you swing trade for 6 months, that is still considered a day trade, okay? And investment means at least 1 year and above, which means at least 365 days. So at Gordon, the question you need to ask yourself is, hey, do I believe in Dogecoin? Right? All right. Why or why not? Do a pros and cons list, okay? And once you logically go through that, you can make that determination for yourself, okay? That is what it means. So that is my advice to you. But again, I don't give financial advice. That is just what I personally do. So it depends on your perspective and what your budget is. So you need to plan accordingly. Is your $5,000 all in, or do you have dry powder? Can you average down? I don't know. So you gotta just look at it and try to determine for yourself what to do. But again, that is what I would recommend to you. So yeah. JJ Money, we have a new well. They own over 3 billion Doge and got in today. Fantastic. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. I'm telling you, man, we are seeing some big money up here, folks. Big money, okay? When you see about 1.4 billion traded in a day, my God, you are trading at an all-time high price. So that means we are going to have tons of new bag holders. And believe me, these new bag holders are going to usually have dry powder, folks. All right, that dry powder means they are going to look for that dip, and guess what? They are going to buy a dip and make a new higher low, and from there on push back up. Okay, all right. Okay. Back to the 4-hour chart now. Okay, again, We are seeing the 4-hour continue to go up. All right. We see about the 50 MA over the 200-day moving average. All right. Price is 24.95 and 10.59. This tells me that if we do pull back, back to the abyss here, we need to see 24.95 be a support and bounce off there. We will see in the future, by future, in the next, I would say, maybe the next day or two, whether or not the 50 MA on the 4-hour chart will be able to become a support, or it will continue its rise. If it continues its rise, then that means we're going to see a nice continuation on the 4-hour chart, therefore creating more price pressure to the upside. But again, we need to be patient and see how the charts unfold. Okie dokie, let's go to the 1-hour chart now and see how that is looking. Let's go all day, every day. Guys, give me a quick second. I need to take care of something. I will be right back, folks. All right. I'm still here, but I will be right back. I need to do something in the background. I'm still here, so just give me a quick second. I'll be right back. Alrighty then, let's get back to this mug now. I finished my thing. Thank you for being patient, because as you know, we need to take care of our business sometimes. Take care of things. And of course, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because I guarantee you, you will not get this anywhere for 4 easy payments of free, okay? You want to make sure you smash that subscribe button if you enjoy this kind of content, because you will not get this anywhere for 4 easy payments of free. I assure you, 100%. Alrighty then, let's go back to the charts now and see what is poppina, lockina, droppina. Okay, so the 1-hour chart is still looking bearish because we are still going into the downside. All right, I showed you these two orange circles here, right? These two wicks here. So I suspect we are going to see some boring price action, and just see consolidation around this gray box here. Okay, so I believe that we are just going to trend around and consolidate around this gray box here for some time. So that is boring, but that's okay, folks. Boring means that if you are a day trader, you can trade around this box and make easy money, because that is usually what consolidation means. Boring time means easy money, aka money printing. But again, this is not a guarantee. This is me just saying that this could potentially happen. All right, folks? That's all I am saying. Okay, so based on the 1-hour chart here, let's see here. Based on the 1-hour chart, all right, we are seeing the histogram literally flatlining. Okay, we are seeing the histogram flatlining in the bearish territory. So this means that the bullish ascent up is starting to decrease, and now it is neutral. So that means that even though it's neutral, that means we can start pulling back and going back to the downside. Okay, folks, because a few hours ago the bulls were taking control and moving it upside via the histogram, via the 1-hour chart. But now the bulls are flatlining and neutral right now. So this means the bulls are losing their breath here, and the bears can start taking over. And if they do, then we may continue to the downside. That is what it means. So again, on the 1 hour chart, we need to watch this closely, because if it does happen the way I'm saying it, then we are going to see more downward price pressure to the downside. And as you know, it's a 1 hour chart, 1 hour per stick, which means it's going to last for some time. Okay. So I just wanted to show, point that out in case you did not, hear me or something. And again, this orange circle here is showing some possible reversal because of this nice buyish buys. Okay, we are seeing tons of buys here, and we're seeing a nice wick. So that's kind of why I'm thinking, hey, you know what? This could be a potential reversal here. All right. And if we can see consolidation in this gray area here for the most part, all right. If we can see consolidation in this gray area, this means we will start moving back up to the upside, okay? But again, we need to consolidate around here in order for that to happen. So let's go back to the 15-minute chart and see what's going on. Oh, by the way, also, I forgot to mention the 50 MA and 200 MA. The 200 is on the upside, on an uptrend. So long term, still very bullish, okay? 50 MA is still flatlined. That means that the bulls and bears are fighting for control, all right? And the more we consolidate here, we are giving time for the bears to take control and move the 50 MA down. So again, I want to emphasize we are seeing lots of conflicting indicators. This means we are in indecision. When you are in indecision, the best trade is no trade, okay? I want to say that again. When you are in indecision, the best trade is no trade, all right? It is that simple. I always tell you guys, wait for a trade to come to you. You do not need to chase the trade. If you do chase a trade, well, I cannot say anything good will happen 9 out of 10 times. When you chase a trade, normally you lose, unfortunately. That is just the way it is, unfortunately. So just please understand that and, plan accordingly. And again, one more time. I do want to emphasize that I give you the good, the bad, the ugly. I am not trying to pump or fearmonger. I just want to equip you with the information so you know what is coming and how to plan accordingly. So that is my that is what I'm saying about that. So yeah. All right, let's go back to it now. So let's go into the 15-minute chart and see what's going on, folks. Let's go. Let's go and see what is going on in the 15-minute chart. Okay, let's see here. On the 15-minute chart, we are seeing a hill formation form, okay? Let's make it, not pink. Let's try something else. How about, let's try this color here. Let's see what works out here. Okay, not a good color. Not a good color. Let's try, nope. Okay. This turquoise hill I'm drawing here for you is normally a bearish chart pattern for the most part. Usually when you see hills, it is a wow, having a brain fart. Normally when you see a hill, it is a bearish price chart pattern, okay? Normally when you see a hill, it is a bearish chart pattern. There you go. My brain fart was going away now. Michael McLeod, what is a 50 MA? What does it mean? 50 MA means 50-day moving average, all right? Which means it comprises of 50 candlesticks averaged out. That is what it means. All right, so normally, again, when you see a hill form out on a chart, it is usually a bearish chart pattern. So it is being evidenced also by the right here, the MACD resetting in the bearish zone. When that happens, okay, when that happens, it is following this orange line here that I drew before, and that orange line means we are going to see a lower low and a higher low in the meantime. Well, by the meantime I mean the short term. So that is what it means, okay? So the current 50 MA and 200 is still bearish crossed. So and it's still diverging. That means we are going to see more negative price pressure. If the bulls want to take it back, they need to fight at around 3351, and they need to take it over for some time and consolidate above that if they want to change the trend. And currently the bulls are asleep at the helm, and they're saying, you know what, bears, do your worst. I am a bull. I am taking a nap. Okay, folks, that is what it means. So let's go. Let's go into the 1 minute chart and go back and see how it looks play by play. Okay, the current 1 minute chart, we are seeing some bearish price action. The 200 MA is now trending down, which means a long term 1 minute. So what that means is a long term 1 minute chart here. We are trending down, and the long term trend for the 1 minute chart is going down, folks. All right. 50 MA is also going down as well, and it's going in parallel with the 200, which means we're going to see negative price action to the downside. But again, this can only continue for so long, and eventually we're going to find a nice dip buying opportunity. So we need to be patient and see how far the bears can create this dip buying opportunity. This dip buying opportunity for us patient bulls who are licking our chops and waiting for a nice dip to buy. So that is pretty much it for now, and yeah, we just need to watch and see what happens. If the bulls want to take control on the minute chart, they need to fight around let's see here, around 3123, and they need to consolidate around there and above in order for us to go back up, folks. All right, we need to do it. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And of course, this is your boy Hey John, where I jabber opportunities nonstop all day, every day about Dogecoin, and I carry and I show you guys the fundamentals, aka the news, in my other videos, and I cover the technical analysis live, which is what you see right here, and I've also purchased blockchain technology to see into the blockchain to give you further insight to see who is actually beg holding and all of that fun stuff, so you can see what is going on in the blockchain itself. Because without that, you do not know what is going on, and that is what the pros use to see the insider information. So that is what you want to see, and I will go over that in a moment. And if you enjoy this kind of content, you want to make sure you pay 4 easy payments of free, so you can get this information. In order to redeem this information, all you need to do is smash that subscribe button so you are aware when I drop these hits. So let's go all day, every day. Let's go. Okay. Let's go into the blockchain now and see what we are going to see now. Let me refresh it because this is live data. You know, the software is typing on live. Let's see what's going on, folks. Let's see what is going on. Alrighty then. Let me go ahead and download this real quick so I can do a quick analysis for you. Quick analysis. Let's go. All right. Let's get to it now. Okay. So, from the price range of 3,456 up to the high price of 3,551 here, average price is at 3,500. There is 563 million Dogecoin held by 1,100 individuals. Okay, if we do a quick division of the volume and the number of addresses, this means the average is going to be about $510,000 per individual. Next price range is 336 up to 3456. Okay, average price is 340. Total amount of Dogecoin is 278 million. Average held by 1,390 individuals. Okay, the average price of that for each the average price spent for each individual is $199,000 per person. Next one is going to be 337 up to the high price of 3364691. Average price is 331921. Total amount of Doge is 1.12 billion Dogecoin dispersed among 1,840 individuals. Average price is $611,000. The next one is 318 up to 327. Average price is 319. Total Dogecoin is 9.9 billion Dogecoins dispersed around 84,000 individuals. Average price is 116,000 US dollars per person. At the break-even price at 309 up to 318, okay, average price is 313. Total amount of Dogecoin is 654 million Dogecoin dispersed amongst 3,860 individuals. Average price is 169,000 US dollars per person. Next one is going to be 308 up to 309. Average price is 308. Held combined value is 44 million Dogecoin. 129 people hold this. Average price is 342K per individual. Let's see here. 0.299 up to 0.308. Average price is 305. Combined Dogecoin is 1.43 billion Dogecoin dispersed to 51,000 people. Average price is 28,000 US dollars per person. 0.2903 up to 0.2994. Average price is 2,971. Combined Dogecoin is 1.08 billion Dogecoin dispersed to 40,000 individuals. Average price is 26,000 US dollars per person. Next one is 0.281 to 290. Average price is 285. And they hold 144 million Dogecoin dispersed to 871 individuals. Each person has spent $165,000 per person. Next one is 0.2716 up to 0.28118. Average price is 0.276. Total Dogecoin is 2.74 billion Dogecoin dispersed amongst 922 individuals. Average price is average spend per individual is 2.9 million US dollars. Next one is 0.261 to 2716. Average price is 2668. Total Dogecoin is 209 million Dogecoin dispersed to 1,000 individuals. Average per investor is 204,000 people. Okay. Let's see here. Currently, how many people are in the green, the red, and the break even? We have 2.96 million people who are currently in the green, which hold about 90.43% of the Dogecoin float. At break even, we have 211,000 individuals holding 6.48% of the float. These people are pretty much in the break even point where they are not making money and they are not losing money. The next one is going to be the bank holders, okay? Currently, 3.09% of the float are currently bank holders. And we have about 103,000 individuals. Okay, folks, you are seeing the blockchain data, folks. This is a paid-for software by your boy Hey John, and I bought this software to give you guys and gals more insight into the blockchain, so you can see what the pros are seeing. All right. So now back to the charts, because that is what you're here for. You're here for the technical analysis and the insight into the blockchain. Okay, this is how your boy is creating more value for you, so you have the knowledge and the data to support it and know what to do and have a better idea of how to approach this trade. And if you enjoy this kind of content where I pay for this stuff here and I give it back to you for 4 easy payments of free, where I actually give you the analysis and understanding of what is going on, all you need to do is smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop these hits. So let's see what is going on. Let's see what is going on, folks. And of course, happy Doge Day to everyone. You know, I hope you are all having a fantastic Doge Day, irregardless of what is going on with the Dogecoin. All right, this person is getting annoying. No more spamming, please. No more spamming. Thank you very much. Oh my God, so annoying. Seeing the same message every 5 seconds. Oh my God, get a life, please. Get a life. JJ Money. The whales are kind of dumb. If they held, they could be selling at 50 cents right now. Yes, yes, yes. I look at the chat. I keep on seeing the same thing over and over. It just got annoying. So I say to you, bye, Felicia. Spam somewhere else. You know, again, I do this for all you guys. I really do appreciate that you guys enjoy this content. I really do, man. I really do. Because, you know, I would hate to be talking to a wall. It is very boring, and, you know, I don't want to be crazy or anything. So I appreciate you all spending your invaluable time with me today. I do appreciate you 100%. And, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Golam Rasul Nabi. Dogecoin Day is the worst. I had high hopes. Is it going to go up again? At Golam, I have went through all the charts from A through Z. So if we follow those things there, yes, we can. But again, the bears are in current control, so, you know, it just be what it be, you know. There are bull cycles and there are bear cycles. And currently we have had a long bull cycle. So as you know, the bears want to make some money as well. So guess what? The bears are out in play, and the bulls are taking some profits. So, you know, it just be what it be. Shadow Moon XYZ, thank you so much, brother. Appreciate it. Much love, much love. So that's what it means, folks. That is what it means. Yes, we are going to have another bull cycle, but we need to be patient, folks, okay? Because we have bulls and bear cycles, all right, folks? I would say this is probably the beginning. I would say this is probably the beginning of a bear cycle in the making of, but of course, we need to be patient. We need to be patient to see how it plays out. Because as you know, the charts change, you know, minute after minute, hour after hour. So even though I'm saying it right now, tomorrow it may change, and it can invalidate. That's why you need to watch it over and over, and watch it consistently. And you know, if you guys are worried about the price action and all that kind of jazz, that just means you have put too much money into Dogecoin and you are losing sleep. And if you are currently in the green, I say to you, there is no shame in taking your gains. because moolah today is better than moolah tomorrow. Your boy Hey John will always give you the truth, whether it's good or bad or the ugly. The reason why I do that is so you can understand what is going on, and more importantly, you can make the right trade. And I'm trying to create the biggest and most sophisticated Dogecoin community. I hope you join me on this journey. I hope you join me on this journey to our next step towards financial freedom, okay? I really do. I really do. I truly believe if you join me on this journey, you will have more good days than bad days in the future. So, this is not me pumping anything. This is me sharing you. This is just me sharing with you some of my own personal experiences. So, hopefully, you get some value from it, and most importantly, most importantly, gain some knowledge. Okay, enjoy Lombok. Don't use your food money for Doge. Well said, my friend. Well said, my friend. Enjoy Lombok is dropping that knowledge. Oh my god. Hella knowledge. And by no means am I giving anyone here financial advice. I'm just showing with you what I'm seeing on the charts and sharing with you what I will do. That's all it is. Remember, when you buy and sell, you're doing it. Okay? Remember that. And of course, always do your due diligence. Okay? Always do your due diligence. Holy cow, holy cow. How is everyone doing, folks? Ooh, I like ramen. Yes, sir. Your boy Hey John likes some ramen too. I like me some ramen, folks. Ramen is tasty and yummy. Alex Duran, I invested my student loans at 45 cents. Alex Duran, that does not sound good in my opinion. That does not sound good. I sure hope you have a plan, buddy. I sure hope you do. Okay, let's see here. At Jesse Landav Land Landa Verde. Hello, thank you for the stream. No, thank you for at you, Jesse. Thank you for joining me today and spending your invaluable time with me. I appreciate it. I do. 100%. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. Breaking news. Breaking news. And it looks like on the 1 minute chart here, the bulls are starting to take control on the short term. I am seeing the 50 MA starting to flatline, folks. Okay, that is looking good. That is looking good. On the short term time frame, the bulls are starting to take control. This could be the beginning of a nice this could be the beginning of a nice bullish cycle on the 1 minute chart. Looking really good so far. Looking really good. We are seeing the 50 MA velocity slow towards the downside and start slowing down to the point where it is almost flatlining. Looking really good, folks. Looking really good. Let's see if Elmer Fudd can come out and snipe the bears. Okay. Let's see if Elmer Fudd will snipe Yogi Bear soon. Let's see. Let's see. Justin Jackson, do you notice that break of the bearish trend line? Are you referring to this bearish? Are you referring to this right here, folks? All right. Are you referring to this, my friend? Justin Jackson, are you referring to this? If you are, then yes, I did notice it. I just did not draw it because I did not want to go and clean every single thing again, because this is the 1 minute chart, and it goes play by play, and you will see lots of corrections all the time because again, as you know, this is the 1 minute chart. Okay, at Cesar Moreno, dude, I'm winning so much right now. Thanks for your advice. Can you shout out my wife's babies? Wait, can you shout out my wife a baby munchkin. We are gonna enjoy this moolah. What is a baby munchkin? Is your baby's name Munchkin? Okay, then I guess I will give a shout out to you at Cesar Moreno. Shout to you, shout out to Cesar Moreno's beautiful wife and beautiful baby. I wish you all nothing but the best, and I am happy that you are here spending your time with me right now. And I hope you guys have an amazing life. And I'm glad you are taking the next step towards your financial freedom. JK video stream. I borrowed money from friends at church, paid 44. That does not sound good, JK video stream. I always say to you guys, only put in money you can lose, and when you borrow money, that doesn't sound like money you can lose. So I hope you have a plan for it. If you do not, you should probably sit down and try to hash something out. You know what I mean? Because you don't want your friends at church to come at you with pitchforks. Justin Jackson. Yes. Okay, I got you. Okay. I'm glad you got it. Fantastic. The bulls are starting to take control on the 1 minute chart. The 50 MA is curling up, looking really good if you're a bull. I like it. I like it. Let's see if the bulls can take control. If the bulls can consolidate around here for some time, this means the bulls are going to take control, and we may see a 50 cross 200. And that means for the next few hours, the bulls are going to be in control, and they will be able to see higher highs and higher lows on the 1 minute chart. I like it. Okay, here at Ninja Killer. Don't chase a spike. Wait for the chip to dip all the way down to main support of 25 cents. Well, that is hard to say, Ninja Killer, because if you know that's coming, then I guess you have a crystal ball. And I guess, good for you, buddy. Good for you. Let's see here. Robert Brewster. This reminds me of a Jerry Lewis telethon. Not sure what a I'm not sure what a Jerry Lewis telethon is though. No idea. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Martes Chaney. You know the church people don't like gambling. Church. Yes, sir. That's why I was saying you need to make a plan, because you do not want your church flock to come at you with pitchforks. It will not be a very good sight for you, buddy. At BO. I appreciate you, John. No, I appreciate you, BO, for joining me and spending your invaluable time with me. All right, can we get 2,000 likes? Smash that like button. Let's go. We are so close. Let's go. And of course, if you enjoy this content, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because I promise you, you will not get this anywhere else for 4 easy payments. I promise you, you will not get this anywhere else. You will not get this anywhere else for 4 easy payments of free. And all you need to do to redeem this offer is smash that subscribe button. Abo Nightcar, Webull just added Dogecoin. That is phenomenal news. Because that means we're going to have more people investing into the Doge. That means we are going to have more people investing into the Dogecoin. That is phenomenal. Yes, sir. Let's go. All day, every day. And honestly, if you do not like free things, why are you here? If you do not like free things? I question it. I really do. Let's see here. Yes, sir. We are seeing some nice consolidation right here, folks. At the gray rectangle. If we keep consolidating around there, I suspect we can see a nice cross of the 50 over 200, therefore creating a possible 2 to 3 hour bullish cycle. Of course, this is the 1 minute time frame. Let's go, let's go. I appreciate the love, people. I really do. And I hope you are all having a phenomenal day. Let's see here. Sean Winters. John, most of these comments are bots and scammers, just to let you know. Yeah, I mean, I can kind of tell, I can tell who the scammers are. The scammers are the haters because they are trying to take your cheap coins. All right, that's why I said to you guys, ignore the haters because they're trying to fearmonger you into taking your coins, folks. Manhattan Project, Jerry Lewis Telethon. I grew up watching that in the 1970s and 80s. You know what? At Manhattan Project, I need to check that out because I'm curious who that is. I am curious. I am curious. Jerry Lewis. I am typing that right now so I can Google that when I get a chance and figure out who in the heck this beautiful man is. At John Grass, thank you for love, brother. Thank you for love. Let's see here. At David Krypton, the same haters that said Doge is a joke and would never reach 0.01. Go pound sand. Yes, sir. At Dave Krypton, you haters need to go pound sand, man. Seriously, go pound that sand. 100%. Go pound that sand. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see here. What do we have in the chat? Oh my god. Let's see here. At Bothog, haters can afford one Doge. I truly, truly believe that. That's why they wanted to come back down to the earth. But currently Dogecoin is in the MOON moon. Holy cow, holy cow. DJ Doge. Haters are loser. Doge Rocket Moon. You guys and gals are fantastic. Honestly, you guys and gals are fantastic. Okay, here. Add crypto army. The future of money. Feel the power of Doge. Cool smiley face. Rocket ship. Man, you are a cool cat. I could not agree more. At Drew Robinson, how do you think Coinbase will affect Doge? Well, I believe we have about 57 million Doge. I'm sorry. Coinbase has 57 57 million people who are. I'm sorry. Coinbase has 57 million users. Coinbase has 57 million users, and if Dogecoin gets listed there, that means we are going to see tons and tons of people who now have easy access to Dogecoin. And as you know, Coinbase has institutional investors there. And you best believe some of these institutional investors are going to want to manipulate Dogecoin, and by manipulating it, they may want to buy it up to pump it up and then sell it down, creating pump and dumps. You know, big institution money is big money, folks. So they will do what they do to create the funds for themselves. At Wilhelmin, I mean, I'm almost drunk. Holy cow, holy cow. I hope you are not trading while you are drunk. Let's see here. Artemis Cameroon. Coinbase won't list Doge because they are a legitimate crypto exchange. Winky face. Ha 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 ha. At Artemis, you sure sound like you are being facetious. Let's see here. Ilimis Shaharil. How to buy. If you want to know how to buy, I suggest you go into my link in the description below and open up and click my Robinhood link so you can create a Robinhood account and you can get a free stock when you open that account, and you will be able to buy Dogecoin on Robinhood for free, and you can move your money in and out for free. And your boy Hey John personally uses Robinhood. That is my preferred buying platform for the Dogecoin. So you can use it or not. It is up to you. And I know there are tons of Robinhood haters here, and that is okay. That is a-okay. But your boy Hey John likes Robinhood. I've used everything. IBKR, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Fidelity, whatever, man. Use them all. And my favorite is Robinhood. What's up? What's up? What's up, man? Okay, what's up? Houston Rockets accept Doge. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. I like that. That is good news. That is good news. And of course, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button, folks, so you are notified when I drop these hits. Da 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 da. Markel Sanders, Robinhood just take forever to process funds, while most brokers take 2 to 3 days. That is just the way it is, the ACH transactions, That is just the way it is. But I believe if you have Robinhood Gold, they will front you $5,000 or whatever you choose to invest into, and you can get an instant deposit, which means you do not need to wait. I say, Cabello, I subscribed when you had 2K subs. It's insane. You're 11K. I've learned a lot of your analysis. Fantastic, Cabello. Fantastic, fantastic to hear. I'm glad you are learning. That's what I'm here for. I am trying to educate and give you that knowledge. um, Beto Oliveras. First time investing. LOL. I'm dang lost. And also using Robinhood. Well, if you're investing, I would not be too concerned. If you are day trading, then guess what? You should be concerned. Okay, okay. The Bears look like they are taking back control. Again, we want to see consolidation around here, folks. All right. The 50-day moving average is currently flatlined and looking like, when you see a flatline, that just means we are going to see, consolidation and then price movement up to the upside. JK Vidstream, I think I'm going to start trading on margin. At JK Vidstream, I do not encourage margin because you can put yourself in a margin call. When you get a margin call and you cannot cover it, it is going to be a bad day. So it is up to you, but I do not encourage it. If you do it, make sure you know what you are doing. Because again, you do not want a margin call when you are going down, because your initial funds will decrease that much faster to the downside. So just be careful, okay? Just be careful. Be very, very careful, and make sure you plan ahead. Yes, I am encouraging you. I am. Your boy Hey John is encouraging you not to use margin, but if you want to, you do you. I have given you the reason why, and you now have that knowledge. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, we are seeing the 50 MA getting fought around, and we are now breaking down, folks. We are now breaking down, and we are seeing the Bulls and Bears fight around the 50 MA, folks. Okay, they are fighting here. I would say in the next 10 to 15 minutes, this may determine the next trend. Either we continue consolidating, or the Bears take control, and we do further lower lows and further higher lows. So we need to be patient and see how it is playing out. Let's see what is going on. Let's see what is going on. Again, we want to see consolidation around this grayish rectangle. If we see that, we can see positive price pressure to the upside. All right, so that's what you want to see if you're a bull. All right, if you're a bear, then you want to see it go to the abyss, and that's fine. But if you're a bull, you want to see the gray rectangle consolidate around there. Let's go, let's go. All day, every day. All day, every day. Let's go, baby, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. X Teal Banana Moon. LAMO. People say to sell, only want to dip so they can buy in. Hold. Man, my boy Banana Moon has been around for some time, and he knows what's up. The man is dropping knowledge, folks. The man is dropping knowledge. Anwar Lucas, what do you see happening when Asia wakes up? As far as I know, Asia is already awake, and we are seeing it happen right now, folks. We are seeing it happen right now. We are seeing some bearish price action, and the bears are in keyword temporary control. So the bulls can still take it back, but we need to be patient and see how it plays out, folks. Okay, player versus Tony, because if it moves down a lot on margin, you have a risk to get liquidated, which means bye-bye coins. Yes, sir. When you get a margin call, you may get a day or a few hours or something, and if you cannot cover that margin call, you will see it get sold, and you will see a huge decrease in your original capital. So that's why I encourage you not to do that, but if you want to, by all means, just be careful and plan ahead, and most importantly, understand how margin works. So you want to make sure you read that fine print. Not true. We got this. We go this. Dodgers versus everything. Let's see. Let's see. Zabos to beat. Hey yo, Chinese friends in the chat. Please tell your homies to pump. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. At Johnny Trice. I'm not worried about it. Keep selling. I'll keep buying. Okay, okay. We have some we have some true Doge soldier up in this house. At Rando Wolfbringer, it is interesting that when it hit 40s, it has huge sell off. It has huge sell off right away. That has happened twice. Well, you know what? There are lots of day traders, and they are taking profits. And guess what? The bulls are also, and some of the bulls are also taking profits. And I always say to everyone, there is no shame in taking profits. No shame in taking profits. All right, we are seeing the histogram starting to become neutral here, a little bit neutral. So this means the bears and bulls are fighting, but honestly, it seems like the bears are taking back control. But man, it is hard to say. It is really hard to say because the bulls and bears are fighting minute after minute, minute after minute, second after second. And the bulls are trying really hard, in my opinion. The bulls are trying really hard to take back the control right now. Currently, the 50 MA is curling up, so that means the bulls are in temporary control. If they can maintain this momentum, it is going to look bullish sooner rather than later. Let's wait and see if we see some. Let's wait and see if we see some volume confirmation. Let's see if we can see that, folks. Once we see that, then then the bulls are back in business. Okay. If we see that the bulls are back in business. And of course, folks, if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this content on your social media so you can do your part in the Doge army by helping educate more people who are not educated on Dogecoin, so we can create more Dogecoin investors, thus increasing your value in your Dogecoin. And believe me, if you like your Dogecoin investment, you are going to want to make sure you do your part by sharing these videos out, okay? It is for your own self-interest that you do this. I promise you, it will benefit you. In the long run, it will benefit you 100%. Censored name, opinion on Redcoin. Yes, it's real, LOL. I have never heard of it, but you know what? I see tons and tons of new coins being created every single day, and every single one has utility, tons of utility. And I say to you, I am only interested in the top 6 cryptocurrencies, okay? Only the big ones. And the only reason why I am into Dogecoin is because of the amazing Dogecoin community. Let's see. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay. At Dylan Marshall. It's my birthday. Please say happy birthday. Everyone in the live stream, please show some love to my boy, Dylan Marshall, by wishing this man a happy birthday. At Dylan Marshall, your boy Hey John is saying happy birthday, Dylan Marshall. Happy birthday, Dylan. I truly hope you are having a phenomenal birthday, man. I really do. Okay, happy birthday, and I hope you have a great day, and happy Doge too, man. I am happy to say happy Doge to you and happy birthday. All right, everyone, please show some love to my boy Dylan by wishing the man a happy birthday. All right, Dylan. Happy birthday, and I hope you are being loved. I hope you're being loved, and I hope you are having a phenomenal day. All right, Dylan. My boy Dylan, my boy Dylan. Thank you for sharing your birthday, folks. Thank you for sharing that. Thank you for sharing that. That is some personal information, and you did not have to share it. So I thank you for sharing it, brother. And thank you for everyone in the live stream for wishing a happy birthday to my boy Dylan. All right, thank you for showing some love to our fellow Doge Army soldier. Ali Rarula, Ayo, John Sus. Okay. If you think I'm sus, then you think I'm sus. It's all good, man. It's all good. Your boy Hey John is not tripping. Okay, at Tamvo, my birthday too. Okay, at Tamvo, happy birthday to you, Tamvo. I wish you a happy Doge Day and a happy birthday. Please show some love to Tamvo, folks. Please show some love to Tamvo. Happy birthday, Tam. I hope and wish. I hope you are having a phenomenal day, and I wish you nothing but the best this year. Go get that money. Let's see here at George Escobedo. Please be careful. There are people here with 25 plus years of stock experience. We just soldiers trading responsibly and do your own due diligence. Winky face. You know what, man? It is okay to trade, man. It is okay to trade. Just make sure you know what in the heck you are doing. The reason why I don't encourage it because there is more reasons why you can mess up than not mess up. So let's see here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All day, every day. At Brandon Polucan. Bro, I'm 20 and investing already. Am I good? Ha ha ha. At Brandon, you know what? I am happy to hear that you are taking your first step towards financial freedom at a very young age. My brother, compounding interest is no joke, all right? It is no joke. You are doing yourself a favor by investing in yourself at a very early age. So good for you, and much love, brother. I wish you nothing but the best. Epcot, Epcot forever. Doge Day, all day, every day. We're all here as a community. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are all here as a community. We all share information amongst each other. 100%. That's right. That's right. We have two birthdays. Tamvo and Dylan. All right. Tamvo and Dylan, happy birthday to you again in case no one heard you. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Jimmy John. John, I've been missing you live all day. Well, you know what, Jimmy John? You need to smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop these joints. All right? Okay, folks. Breaking news, folks. Breaking news. I am seeing some nice bullish volume, folks. Nice bullish volume all of a sudden. Okay? This is telling me that the bulls want to take control sooner rather than later. Tiffany Lay, hey John, you are such a nice person. Heart, 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 heart. At Tiffany, much love to you. Kisses and hugs. I wouldn't say your boy is a nice person, but you know what? Your boy does only good every day. And I believe in giving back, and I believe the universe, will give you what you put into it. I truly believe in that. You know what I mean? I truly believe that if you put in good work, you will be rewarded. And I believe you really have to do good every day. That's why I am such a believer in a Dogecoin. I know it is like a meme and a joke and haha whatever's, but I do believe in a message, and my God, I am a true believer. And by the way, I am not fanatical by any means, but I do believe in what I believe, and it's all good. George Escobedo, hey Joe, you are a real one. You guys never lie on your channel. Love it, man. Keep the good work. I sub to your channel. Maybe one day I'll go to school for this. Well, yeah, man. Thank you for love, brother. Thank you for love. I do believe in only giving the good, the bad, the ugly, so you can make your own choices, hearing everything. I am not trying to pump or dump or give you any other thing but the truth. I really want you guys to make confident trades so you know what to do. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh, by the way, I always show my face in the recorded video. The reason why I don't do it in a live stream because it is too distracting, and I want you guys to focus on the charts and learn something. It is not that I'm afraid to show my face. I am not afraid of that. I have no shame. I do not care. I'm not saying it to sound like douchey or anything. I'm just saying, I have no shame or anything. But the reason why I don't do it here is because I want you guys to focus on the charts, not me. And when I say that, it is not that I am, being like arrogant or anything. I just want you guys to focus on the charts 100%. That's kind of why I do what I do. Not to be mysterious or, anything like that. At Otis, learning a lot, John. Thanks. You're very welcome. I sure hope you are learning some more, buddy. I sure hope so. And your boy, Hey John, loves every single one of you. I mean it. I really do mean it, folks. I really do mean it. At Nomadic Bless, I agree with you. It keeps us focused on what is most important. Thank you. All right. I'm glad you see that. I'm glad you get it. I'm glad you get that. You know what I mean? I do that. I am glad to hear that. Michael Tucci. I want to smooch John on the forehead. At Michael Tucci, I hope you are Italian, my friend, okay? I hope you are Italian. If you are, you know what? My forehead is for you, brother. My forehead is for you. Let's see here. Let's see. At Phyllis. At Phyllis. Nervous ASF. At Phyllis. Do not be nervous, brother. Do not be nervous, okay? You know what's going to happen. You know the supports and you know the resistance, all right? You need to plan accordingly and set a budget and make sure you do not bite. You nibble. What that means is, by nibbling means you only bite a little bit at a time. So over time you can create a average you like. When you bite, means you go all in, or you put a significant amount of your budget into the investment. If you want to make sure you take care of yourself mentally, you want to follow something like that, and make sure you plan ahead, buddy. Make sure you plan ahead. Andreas Agudelo. Hey John, can you call Elmer Fudd to kill Yogi Bear? Thanks. All right. Elmer Fudd, come on out and snipe Yogi Bear. By the way, folks, breaking news, okay? I want to call this right now, folks. This is looking like a temporary nice base, okay? This means in the near term, we are going to break out sooner rather than later, okay? I am calling it right now. We are going to break up right now sooner rather than later, folks, okay? I am calling it right now, folks. Calling it right now. Because it sure looks bullish and the bulls are ready to take control, folks. I am pretty dang sure about it. I am pretty dang sure. We will see in the next probably 10 to 15 minutes. We will see this play unfold right before your eyes. That's right. That's right. Elmer Fudd is coming out. He has his 12 gauge, and booyah, he is ready to snipe that Yogi Bear. Give Yogi Bear that nice headshot, folks. All right. Elmer Fudd is getting ready to give Yogi Bear that sniper headshot. Sniper headshot. Booyah. Pink mist everywhere. Holy cow. Holy cow. Jay Salazar. Much love, brother. Much love. How you doing? How you doing? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Adam K. What's your favorite Doge Day food, John? Your boy is a humble man. He likes nachos with a fake cheese and tons of jalapenos, man. All right, Adam K. Your boy is a humble man. He likes them fake nacho cheese drizzled all over those beautiful round tortilla chips with a ton of jalapenos. Man, oh man, my mouth started watering, man. My mouth started watering as I was saying that. Holy cow, holy cow. At Roman Percussion, hey John, you better hope you're right, unless you're getting disliked all over the place. Hey man, it's all good. If you want to dislike, by all means, dislike me. I will not be offended or hurt by that. You know, it's all good. It's all good. It is all good, man. Your boy will not be tripping, boys. Your boy will not be tripping. Valerie Williams, hey John, I miss you when you're not on live. I really enjoy you giving us so much knowledge. Thank you. No, Valerie, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for trying to better yourself. And I thank you for believing in me. I really do. Thank you so much for spending your invaluable time with me. That is why I try to create as much value as I possibly can. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Armor Bud is about to snipe that Yogi Bear, folks. Yogi Bear is going to be on the floor. James, John Juice, man. I would like me some gin and juice, and I want to kick it with Snoop Doge. Holy cow. Holy cow. At Brandon Erie, I sent you 3 super chats and no acknowledgement. WTF? Really? I honestly didn't see it, or I mean, I'm pretty sure I read every single super chat. At Brendan, I do apologize, man. It is not on purpose, you know. Honestly, it is not on purpose. I read every single one, so I do apologize for disrespect. At Brendan Erie, your boy, hey John, I apologize for disrespecting you, man. It was not on purpose, okay? I do apologize, and it was not on purpose. Valerie Williams, very welcome. Much love, heart. Doge Daddy. Ask Stephanie Victoria, you single? Okay, folks. At Doge Daddy, do not be thirsty, my brother. Do not be thirsty. Do not chase away our female Doge friends, okay? We love our female Doge friends. But I do love it though, man. I do love it, man. I do love it. I think it would be great if some of you folks in the community actually fall in love with each other, man. Oh man, that would be a phenomenal YouTube thing, man. Honestly, man, if anyone in this live stream or in the future here, if you guys fall in love it because of this live stream channel here, let your boy know because I want to interview you guys. I want to interview you guys and see how it played out because man oh man, that would be a beautiful sight. At Adam Cassiv, a dog sticker. I love it. Thank you for a dog sticker. I love it, man. So cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, folks. It looks like we are breaking up to the upside. It looks like we are breaking up to the upside. Holy cow. Holy cow, folks. Holy cow, folks. If you were not a believer in your boy, I think you should believe. I think you should be a believer in your boy now because I called it out live. Live. This is not a pre-recorded. This is not a pre-recorded video. You saw it live, folks. Live. 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 So if you were not a believer, I believe you are a believer now, and you should smash that subscribe button. And you want to like and share these videos, folks. That's right. That's right. That's right. It is live, y'all. It is live, folks. If you're live, you cannot make it up, man. You cannot make this up right here, folks. Let's go. Let's go. All day, every day. Holy cow. Holy cow. At Ali Ruwola, I want to smash John. Heart face, heart face. Holy cow. Holy cow. I hope you don't want to smash me in a bad way because I'm pretty sure it would hurt. And your boy Hey John is a very nice person. And I believe in love and peace, not violence. Please do not smash your boy, okay? Because I want to continue doing only good every day, and by providing this valuable and invaluable stuff here to you guys, folks. At Melissa Dotson, I just found us live and I will stick here. At Melissa Dotson, your boy Hey John welcomes you with open arms. Welcome to the Dogecoin community. Welcome to the Hey John channel. You are very welcome, and I hope you stick around. And I hope you learn. I hope you learn a thing or two. If you do not learn anything, I hope you just leave here with some good vibes at the very least. Megan Mary, oh my John, you gained the ladies. Oh no, 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 your boy is not a player, okay? He's not a player. I just want to show the ladies some love because I know the investment game is male dominated, so I just want to say hi and be friendly and hope you come out and share your knowledge and ask questions and hopefully you can learn something. But if you know a lot already, fantastic. Share with us, That is all I'm trying to do. Holy cow, holy cow. Elmer Fudd has just sniped. Yogi Bear in the head. Headshot, booyah, pink mist everywhere. Stephanie Victoria, we love you, John. At Stephanie, I love you too, Stephanie. I love you so much, and thank you for sharing your invaluable time with your boy, Hey John. At Truth Free, stop stealing my girlfriend, John. At Truth Free, I am not trying to steal your girlfriend, okay? Please, at Truth Free girlfriend, please stay with your boy Truth Free. He is a good dude, and he is trying to make that moolah to help you guys have a better life, all right? So stay with your boy Truth Free. He is doing right by you, all right? You do not need a scrub like Hey John, all right? Out of timers here. John with his ladies and nachos. My friend, out of timers. You hit it on the nail on the head, man. Nachos all day, every day. And Jay Smooshy. Hey, hi John, loving your stream. Besides being on here, any advice on how to learn more TA? I would say honestly, just Google it. You know what I mean? Google whatever it is, and you will continue to go down that rabbit hole over and over and over, and you will accumulate that knowledge all day, every day. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. Okie dokie. I'm glad you were all seeing what I called out right before your eyes, and I am glad you guys are seeing it and loving it. All right. Ha 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 ha. Casey Torres. Hi, John. Why is it you annoy me so much, but your analysis is great? LMFAO. I'm sorry, Casey. I'm sorry, Casey Torres. You know what? Not everyone likes me, and it's a-okay. You know what I mean? It is a-okay. Unfortunately, your boy cannot please everyone. There will be people who like me, and there will be people who hate me. It is all good. All good. And of course, folks, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button and like button, and you want to make sure you share these videos so we can help educate more people. Okay. Your boy Hey John is going to end the live stream. Okay. Your boy is tired, so he is calling it a night. I hope you all have a phenomenal Happy Doge Day or Happy Doge Evening. And your boy Hey John loves every single one of you. And thank you so much for sharing your invaluable time with me. Make sure you subscribe if you want to get notifications of my next hit. So your boy will catch you on the next one. Have a fantastic and phenomenal evening or morning, depending on where you are in the world. Take care and goodbye and stay safe. I will catch you all on the next one.